We won't pop pop. They won't pop pop. We won't pop pop. They won't pop pop. We won't sabotage. Pop pop sabotage. Sabotage. Pop pop. We won't pop pop. They won't pop pop. We won't pop pop. They won't pop pop. We won't. Sabotage, pop, pop, sabotage, sabotage, pop, pop. We won't pop, pop. They won't pop, pop. We won't pop, pop. They won't pop, pop. We won't sabotage, pop, pop, sabotage, sabotage, pop, pop. We won't pop, pop. They won't pop, pop. We won't pop, pop. They won't pop, pop. We won't sabotage, pop, pop, sabotage, sabotage, pop, pop. We won't pop, pop. They won't pop, pop. We won't pop, pop. They won't pop, pop. We won't sabotage, pop, pop, sabotage, sabotage, pop, pop. We won't pop, pop. They won't pop, pop. We won't pop, pop. They won't pop, pop. We won't sabotage, pop, pop, sabotage, sabotage, pop, pop. We won't pop, pop. They won't pop, pop. We won't pop, pop. They won't pop, pop. We won't sabotage, pop, pop, sabotage, sabotage, pop, pop. We won't pop, pop. They won't pop, pop. We won't pop, pop. They won't pop, pop. We won't. Hey Charlie, hey Miss Belinda. Miss Belinda done caught another live. Hey, hey. Come on in, come on in, come on in. How y'all doing tonight? Come on in, y'all see the title of the video. Baby, Martell said he is sick of male shit. Yep. He said, oh, now, his name is Chucky. Wanna play? Yep. And y'all know y'all gonna have a whole lot of mellow heads out in these creeks tomorrow. Mad at us. And I'm gonna let y'all know y'all new 50% off code, which is probably 80% again. Yeah. Got your ass. That's the new code. Hashtag got your ass, bitch. That's gonna be y'all next code, because Martell got ass. And wait till y'all hear the shit that are in these damn court docs. The shit that the mellow head content creators didn't want to read. Wait till y'all get this shit in its entirety. When people are not trying to make Martell look like the bad guy. Clutch your pearls. I'm just telling you now, clutch your pearls. Because there's a lot going on. 4 more minutes. Hey, Shauna. What Shauna said? I hate when they ask you, do you want to edit your title, but then don't let you.
And baby, we got a narrator for y'all today. Got a special guest today. And we're gonna do it. On your mark, get set, let's go now. Hopefully I can leave y'all with some elevator music real quick, because they playing with me. We got 2 more minutes. I'll be right back. Let me out. Hey, I'm back. Shauna, that is for you. My bad, y'all. I'm back. I'm ready. Let's go. Hey, Chris.
Tell your people to tell their people, come on over here. We are up. So we are gathered here tonight to listen to Martell drag the shit out of Mel and drag her ass all the way to the courthouse. That's why we here, dearly beloved. We are gathered here to witness a massacre. Yes, a witch being burnt at the stakes, where she should be burnt at. Hey, girl.
Hey. Oh, excuse me, child. Excuse me. Hi, Chris. Hi, everybody that is in the chat. I can't see everybody, but hey.
And Chris, I take my hey back because you didn't even speak to me. You spoke on you spoke to Shauna. I take it back. I'm being petty.
Thank you, Chris. Okay, where is. Okay, are we ready to get started with this thing? Are
Yep.
you doing any sort of introduction or you just letting me go and you just jumping in?
Yeah, I ain't hear what I was saying. I was just telling the people that we are gathered here tonight to witness Martell drag Melody's ass all the way through the streets of Huntsville down to the courthouse of Madison County. This is what we here for. We are about to read the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. So help us God. None of this shit is cherry picked. We are about to read what is all on the paper. All of it. We ain't skipping nothing. We ain't making nobody look better than the other. We just telling the facts
Okay,
and
y'all.
pissing the mellow heads off.
So let me tell y'all, I will not be able to see what's going on in the comments. I'm just reading. So don't think I'm ignoring you because Prosperity got to watch the comments because I can't look at them while I'm trying to read all this. Give me 2 seconds because your blind friend needs to wipe off her contacts because, child, this print kind of little.
Baby, wipe off her contacts.
Yes, I have to wipe off my contacts. Okay, now, without further ado,
It sounds painful. I'm just wanting to say that.
it's not. Okay, now, you can hear me, right?
Yep.
Can you hear me? Oh, okay. I didn't know I had moved the screen. I wasn't sure if it disappeared when I saw. In the Circuit Court of Madison County, Alabama, we have Melody Rodgers, FKA Melody Holt, who is the plaintiff, versus Martell LeVar Holt.
Hold on. Is Martell the plaintiff or is Mel the plaintiff?
Child, this says plaintiff and respondent, defendant, and petitioner. He is the petitioner.
Okay, because I'm about to say you said it was Melody was the plaintiff and he was the. That's why I was
No,
like, oh,
it says plaintiff slash respondent. He is the defendant slash petitioner. He is putting the petition up against her.
okay. No, the word plaintiff took me out. That's why I was. That's why I was trying to make sure.
Okay, so let it be, let it be said and seen that she still does use the name Holt, contrary to popular opinion, contrary to popular belief. So
And
yes,
I keep telling y'all that.
that entire name changing ceremony, that entire party situation, the whole thing she did, a farce, a fallacy, a lie. Okay, great. Moving forward. Verify petition for modification and rules. Okay. This says, come now, the petitioner Martell of our Holt, hereinafter the father, and brings in this his verified petition of modification and rule against the plaintiff responded Melody Rodgers, FKA Melody Holt, mother, as grounds for such relief shows unto court as follows. Number one, child, this is little. The parties were divorced by a final divorce decree that was entered by the court on or about the 15th day of March in 2021, which incorporated the settlement agreement entered into by the parties on March the 12th, 2021. A copy of the settlement agreement is attached hereinto as Exhibit A and incorporated into and made part hereof set out herein. Basically, they use that, they put it in there so you can see it, but it needs to be stated that they were officially divorced March of 2021, there was an agreement made about the child custody on March 12th of 2021. Subsequent to their divorce being granted, the parties raised claims for modification of custody and contempt. They stated the case number, in which an order was entered by the court on March the 1st, 2023. They stated the case number. An order of modification was entered by this court on October the 20th, 2025. Now, the parties are the parents of four minor children. They name said children. We don't need their names and birthdays. That's not important to y'all. Y'all know what it is. Pursuant to the party settlement agreement, the parties agreed to pay for an equal 50-50 of the minor children's extracurricular and athletic activities. School supplies, back to school clothes, and other similar activities related to athletics, cultural, and civic events. Additionally, the parties agree that the parties shall each be responsible for and pay one half of any uninsured medical expenses incurred on behalf of the minor children, with reimbursement due to the other party to be submitted within 30 days from the date of submission of receipt for said expenses. Next, the mother has failed and willfully refused to abide by the court order regarding reimbursement of the children's extracurricular and medical expenses. Specifically, the mother has refused to reimburse the father for payment of the children's extracurricular. Next page.
Y'all heard that right. She refused to do these things. Refused.
The extracurricular activities and uninsured medical expenses, which currently totals approximately 10,332, $10,323.50. Once again, that is $10,323.50. This is an approximation. Despite the father providing her with proper documentation. So y'all got that, right? They are supposed to pay 50-50, which, if we are going off what's being said, that means that he has paid upwards of $20,000 for extracurricular activities and sports and different things, and possibly medical expenses as well, because that's included in that. Okay? Okay. So she owes him once again $10,323.50. He has already provided proper documentation, however, she has not paid. Now,
Shauna, 1 second. Do you think that shit? Listening to this, if she might got a goddamn warrant out for her ass for being non-compliant of motherfucking the judge's rulings and shit.
she's absolutely non-compliant. The mother has failed and willfully refused to abide by the court's standard parenting clauses, which was made part of the party settlement agreement and incorporated in the court's final decree of divorce that was entered August the 7th, 2020, as well as the court's order of modification. Specifically, the mother has allowed her paramour, pause, has allowed her paramour, Jason Moore, to stay overnight in the presence of the minor children and has permitted Mr. Moore to conduct custody exchanges on her behalf. What? Oh, okay. The father has significant concerns regarding the minor children's exposure to Mr. Moore, who was the subject of a prior DHR investigation involving the party's minor children after allegations that he allowed two of the minor children, ages 12 and 13 at the time, to operate a motor vehicle on Governor's Drive. That the father is in need of the order which prohibits Mr. Moore from transporting the minor children or serving as their caregiver. Remember, he was supposed to be her bodyguard. So why is he now their caregiver? What? Okay. Let me keep
Because
going.
everybody that work for her doubles as something else, and sometimes they may triple or quadruple.
You can't be an employee and a bodyguard, and then all of a sudden now you take care of the children. Anyway, pursuant to the October 20th, 2025 order of modification, the minor children shall not participate in any television productions or any social media that is for gain or profit without leave of the court until the children reach the age of majority, which would be 18 years old. Okay? Okay. To further that, the mother has willfully violated these court orders concerning the children's social media exposure. The father believes the mother has allowed the children's maternal grandmother to use the minor children on social media platforms, including Instagram and Facebook, to promote and sell children's books. The mother currently uses the same social media platforms to promote the children's hair care products, cologne, and other items. It is further believed that the mother, through both the maternal grandmother and herself, is financially benefiting from the children's social media exposure by directing proceeds into accounts managed by both the mother and the maternal grandmother, Vanessa Tracy.
Not the mama and the grandmama taking the baby penny bank and busting it wide open. Bust it wide open. That is ridiculous.
The mother is the father. Child, you threw me off. The father asserts that the mother has engaged in a pattern of making negative, disparaging, and derogatory comments about the father via social media. Such content is harmful to the minor children and it undermines the father's relationship with them and exposes the children to adult conflicts and creates emotional distresses. The father requests an order prohibiting either party from making public statements that disparage, criticize, or discuss the other party, the minor children, or any ongoing court proceedings of said parties. I need y'all to understand what he's saying right there. He is not saying she can't talk. He is saying we shouldn't talk. He ain't gonna say nothing about her. She shouldn't say nothing about him. Nobody else needs to say anything. I need people to understand that he is not being unreasonable here. He telling everybody to shut up because he ain't the one that's been talking and talking bad about her. You get it? Okay, carry on. The mother has repeatedly made false allegations against the father and has misused the court system in an attempt to gain an advantage over him within the court system. Most notably, she filed a protection from abuse petition purportedly on behalf of the minor children, which was dismissed by the court after a hearing. These actions have unnecessarily escalated the parties' conflict, increased legal fees, and caused significant emotional distress. Damn it. To the father as well as the minor children. Okay, next page. Additionally, the party's oldest child, we know his name, has incurred over 15 disciplinary actions at his school. The father has repeatedly attempted to discuss this with the mother, the need to change the child's school placement due to these ongoing behavioral and disciplinary issues. However, the mother has refused to cooperate. Pursuant to the parties' original settlement agreement, incorporated into the final decree of divorce, the father has final decision making authority regarding the minor children's education. Notwithstanding this authority, a subsequent order of modification designates the mother's address as the primary residence for school enrollment purposes. The mother's refusal to address the oldest child's significant disciplinary problem demonstrates her unwillingness to prioritize the children's education and emotional well being, and further supports modification of the current custodial arrangement. The father is, in all respects, a fit and proper person to have joint physical and legal custody of the minor children of the parties. Due to the mother's ongoing violations of court orders and her conduct described herein, the current custodial arrangement is no longer in the best interest of the minor children. The mother is not fit to exercise sole physical custody of the minor children. The mother has willfully and wantonly refused to abide by this honorable court's orders and should be held in civil and criminal contempt. Uh oh. That the father has been forced to incur attorney fees and other costs in filing this action and in need of an order of the court directing the mother to reimburse him for any account of the same. Wherefore, the premises considered, the petitioner father respectfully requests the following. He gave you all that information. Now let's talk about what he wants. Order the respondent mother to appear and show cause why she should not be held in civil or criminal contempt for her failure to comply with the court orders. Order that the father be awarded both an initial and a final hearing, the joint physical and legal custody of the minor children, and Order that Jason Moore be prohibited from transporting the minor children or being used as a caretaker for the party's minor children. Order that neither party shall make any public statements that disparage, criticize, or discuss the other party, the minor children, or any ongoing court proceedings. Now, carry on. Move that. Okay, I move that. Order that the judgment be entered against the mother and in favor of the father for any unpaid reimbursement of the minor children's extracurricular and medical expenses. Order that the judgment be entered against the mother and in favor of the father for attorney fees and costs relating to this matter. And grant the father further and different relief which he may be entitled. Submitted on July the 1st, 2026. Signed Martell, LeVar, Holt, the petitioner. Now I can go back and I can see comment.
That's all of it.
That's it.
Okay, so now let me go to my IG page because I want to point out some shit.
Well, while she's going to her IG page, here's the funny thing, y'all. Everybody made it such a big deal about, oh, he's such a bad person. The one thing that we've never heard, what we have heard is he's not a good husband. People have said he's not a good man. What we have yet to hear was that he was not a good father. This is the problem some of y'all folks got because you get, oh, he cheated on her. He didn't cheat on her, he followed her directions. But she even came on this TV screen and told all of y'all that he was a good father. She came in and said he did more. That's what she's always said. It wasn't until she wasn't getting her way that all of a sudden now his cheating somehow made him a bad father. I don't even know how you correlate the two. Make that make sense. Please make it make sense. And if they say that the children cannot be used in anything, then no, the mama cannot go and advertise their stuff because that is for profit, that is for gain. And where's that money going? Because what it
And
should
her
be
and
doing,
Vanessa
that money
Park,
should be going, it should be going into a trust for the children if you're going to sell on their behalf. If
that's
you're
where that
going to do that.
$6,000 came from when she came up with her ceiling missing. That was her payout.
And if that's the case, that still would be something that Martell, he shouldn't have access to the money, but he should be able to see what's being made. I don't
Yeah,
think
he
he
don't
should
need to
have
be able to
access. I
spend
don't
it.
think either parent should have access.
Right.
I think it should go into a trust for the children, and that should go towards their college expenses or any other thing that may come up for them, but it shouldn't be touched until they are of the age of majority, which is 18 damn years old.
And yeah, because not because they need red bottoms. Yeah.
And let's jump on this security, not security. Why in the fuck
Where is my
is he
food?
picking your kids up? Why does he have anything to do with the picking up or dropping off of those children? He shouldn't have nothing to do with that. I thought he was protecting you. If he protecting you, why he running around with the kids? He can't be protecting you if he with the kids because who the hell is with you?
Yeah, because the kid's not in danger because the man who you supposed to be in danger from is their daddy. So,
Right,
and I
right.
was damn it, listen, Kia, you don't want to drop their ass off because your ass don't know if you're gonna have the police waiting for your black ass. But I guarantee you one motherfucking thing: when you go to the damn courthouse, yep, you're gonna be surrounded in the motherfucker.
And I want to know, she's made so many assertions. You've made so many videos. Where is your fallout post this time? Where is your post with you crying, talking about you're going to have to abandon your kids and you might not see them till they grown and they're going to have to come find you? Where's your coupon codes? Where's your Patreon link? You mighty quiet. Just last
And,
week you was out there looking for bugs in the daytime with a flashlight and only putting your little bug oil on one leg. Where you at now?
and being wrapped up in the flag this week.
Baby, she ain't never been in danger. Because remember, she was the one on TV talking about she whooped his ass. She ain't never been in danger.
Not for
Danger
one
has
minute,
never been an
goddamn
issue
well.
for her. You got on TV and talked about how you whooped his ass. Maurice said you hit that man so hard he felt it.
It might be with some
But
edge control. She might got there with some edge control, but not
but
like that.
we are to believe that you are in so much danger that even after the courts found that you didn't need an order of protection, now you still have this man carrying around what your child is six, ain't she like 6?
Yeah,
She's
6, 7.
5, 6 years old, however old she is. She too damn old for a man that is not her father to be carrying her around like that.
No, she about to be 8, like 2019. 20, yeah,
She too
7. Yeah, it's about 7.
she too damn old for a man that is not her father to be picking her up and carrying her around. That
Okay.
is highly inappropriate.
Mel, can you? I know you're in the bushes. Come to the front because I want to talk about number 5. The mother has failed and willingly refused to abide by the court's order regarding reimbursement of the children's extracurricular activities and medical expenses. Specifically, the mother has refused to reimburse the father for the payments of the children's extracurricular activities. But aren't you the same mother? Is this why you was mad at your lawyer for taking that goddamn thing, that back pay for that damn judgment? Is that why you mad? Cause how you gonna sue him for not paying you for something when the fuck you are actually doing the same motherfucking thing and you were ordered as well? So is that why you really didn't wanna pursue it, but you had to because your lawyer said you had to because you couldn't. If you did, you wouldn't be able to do it again.
Wait, she's supposed to be a multi millionaire. So please explain to the room, why is it that you are not making sure that you are sharing the 50-50? Because see, this is the problem. I don't care who has custody and how you have custody, you have primary physical custody. We know that. However, you agreed to that 50-50 split on their expenses. So you have to split it 50-50 on their expenses. That's your fault for not agreeing to that. You if you said, okay, if I got him 85% of the time, then he has to pay 85% of the expenses, that'd be a different conversation. You sat in that court and allowed everything to be 50-50. So now you owe him upwards of $10,000 for their extracurricular activities, their expenses, the things that he has had to pay out, medical expenses, or whatever that is, because there is an itemized listing of the things that
Mm-hmm.
he has paid for. That exists. And you've seen it. And we know that you've seen it. But the question is, where are you
Hell,
now?
you help him write it. Shit.
Where's the next seance? Where's the next starve yourself for me
She just
event?
had one last week.
Yeah, but that was before this came out.
Oh,
That was
she
before
said
this
this,
came out.
this child. They'll be back. They'll be
Yeah,
back
I
to
mean
starve
now,
themselves for meal and her $10,323.50 fucking cents seance.
child, because I'm still trying to figure out how you were already selling lavender oil, you were already selling these oils, and now all of a sudden you're gonna say they're bug repellent. You didn't even bother to do repackaging. You literally just have something that is a known deterrent for bugs and just said, oh no, this is what it's for. Ma'am, that was never what it was for.
Yeah, I almost got fussed out about when I said that. When I said that there ain't no damn bug repellent and it ain't even got
It's
no
not.
repellent in that shit. You go buy some regular motherfucking lavender oil or some regular peppermint oil for cheaper and get the same fucking effect. Because
But you
guess
wouldn't
what?
even get
It ain't no
you
repellent
wouldn't
in her
get
shit, just like it ain't no
you
repellent
wouldn't get
in the fucking other oil.
you wouldn't get a full repellent effect because that's not what it is. You just made a lavender oil and a peppermint oil. And then you're not even putting them together. You didn't even make a bundle deal. You didn't put them together and say, hey, I got a lavender slash peppermint oil. Let me just give y'all some new stuff. You literally said, buy this and that.
For
And
eighty
then what?
dollars. Then it took it down to
And then what?
20.
And then what? Buy this and that. You didn't even say, okay, this is how we measure it. You need 1/4 cup,
Exactly. You ain't
of
got the
peppermint
ratio.
oil and a half a cup of of lavender and put those two together, mix them up together, and then you get what you need. That's not how this works. And when you actually look at real bug repellents, you know how many ingredients they have in them?
Exactly. And
It's
they
way
not
more than
paraben
one.
free. Nor are they vegan. And they damn sure ain't got no lemon granules in it.
The funny thing about that, people trying to say that Martell is broke, nobody knows what that man has because the one thing he did do, and I'm very happy he did it, he got quiet. He
Well, we
shut
know
the
he got
hell
a
up
job
and just
and he
started
making money.
living and making his money. Right. We know he got a job.
And making money
Being
because he's selling the
that
shit out them
that
houses.
that TV show is a job. He's selling homes. He's still in the business of building homes. We ain't even gonna talk about the house that he sold to his damn self. Genius move. Genius
And
move.
had one to put his child's mama in.
Baby, I'm still trying to figure out how you gonna say that TikTok stole $2 million from you. However, you still have yourself on TikTok. Your products are not on TikTok, but you are still there. If someone would have taken that much money from me, there is no way on this side of heaven nor hell that I would still be on their platform. No way. There's no way.
Miss Vanessa.
It
Oh, go ahead.
no, go ahead.
No, I was just about to say, tell Miss Vanessa come to the front because
Child.
you was already making money off the books that y'all didn't want Martell to be able to sell with his kids, but it was okay for Miss Van to make books with the kids and make a profit from it. But when Martell wanted to do it, it was a goddamn problem. Okay, you already had your side money you was making off the goddamn kids. Then you get your little check from your daughter for watching the kids and shit and being the nanny. That's how you became the nanny. Yeah, you. But now y'all are teaming up and conspiring against the kids and their mommies. That is not of the Lord. Girl, you are wade in the water, children. Wade, yay, yay,
Here's the
yay,
problem.
bitch, in the water. And you about to drown. Because what?
Here's the problem now.
You
See,
steal from kids or the elderly, bitch.
this is what's wrong. If y'all decided that y'all were going to use the children, because I'm using the word use, because that's what you're doing is using the children. If you were going to use the children for a profit, then that profit should go to the children. See, this whole thing of y'all making money off the kids and then don't nobody
At
know where the
least
money is
some of
going,
it.
they do have a father. That money should go into a trust for the children. If you gonna use them, hell, she over there selling his body spray, his little Axe body spray for what, $80, $100, $110?
After she done stole
You
somebody
mean
else's
to tell
packaging.
me every single bottle, and those bottles were moving? You actually were selling stuff on his behalf. Where'd all that money go? Where'd all
Wait,
that
yay,
money go?
yay. That's where it went. It's in the water.
Child, wait, wait in the hot water. Hey, Juanita. The thing
Like,
about it, what I will never understand, if you're going to use the children, this is why SAG and things like that, when you get a SAG card as a child, they set
you
up
are
bank
protected.
accounts for the child. You know
Mm-hmm.
why? Because kids like Gary Coleman, when they became
Macaulay
and
Calkins.
Gary Coleman, what was the other guy's name?
Macaulay Calkins.
No, the other black one. Spud, child, I'm about to say Spud Webb. That was a basketball player.
I
Anyway,
thought you about to say
y'all know.
Spud McKenzie, the dog.
No, y'all know who I'm talking about. The thing is, because there were a lot of child actors where the parents, when these children were making massive amounts of money, the parents were just taking their money and spending it.
Amanda Bynes, Britney Spears.
Several of them. And what ended up happening, SAG now has it where if you're a child actor, bank accounts have to be set up for you, and that money goes into an account for you. You can designate how much may go to your parent or how much may go to your manager, things like that. But the lion's share of that money goes to that child. Because if it does not, that child's finances may not be protected. Because a lot of times the adults do not have the child's best interest at heart. They are
Mm-hmm.
utilizing the cuteness, they're utilizing the
They cash
personality,
cows.
they're
They the
utilizing the fact
ATM.
that people, thank you, Gary Coleman. Thank you.
You
Thank you,
did say
kids.
Gary Coleman.
I said
You
Gary
kept
Coleman,
saying
but I
that's the
was
one
thinking
you
of the
did
other
say.
one. What was the other one? I cannot think of that man's name and I can see his face. And I'm so mad.
I about to say, because you said Gary
No,
Coleman.
I said Gary Coleman.
Webster.
Yes, thank you. Thank you. Emmanuel Lewis. Thank you. See, y'all working with me. See,
See,
bless the children.
you
Bless
helped
the
me earlier
children.
with the chain gang. See, I told
Yes,
that.
I was total brain fart. See, that's why I love y'all, because y'all be witty. And
When you said when
that
you
is
kept
the
saying Gary
thing.
Coleman, I'm like, hold up, the other midget. It's the midget,
Yeah,
the other little
It
person. My
was
bad. Y'all don't like it.
Emmanuel
My bad.
Lewis. But for those two children specifically, but there were many, many, many others. Their parents took their money
Yeah, they
and
were the
they
original
basically
ATMs.
blew through it. And even though, no, these children are not on that level at all. However, the fact that you are making money off of these children, that money should go to the kids. And I don't give a damn if you a millimeter or parking meter. That shit you
It's not
can't
a
disagree
parking
with.
meter.
You can't disagree with it. I know people that say,
Do
"Oh,
they
it's because
still
you
take
hate
coins
her."
or do they?
It's
Is it
because
electronic?
we got both out here.
Okay, I'm gonna
Oh,
ask.
it's because you hate her. You can't tell me that these children paying for products when she had her daughter out there selling the SAB, the little tennis line she tried to come up with. I'm not
The
mad at none
wrinkle.
of that. I'm not mad at any of that, but that money should go to the
Oh, the
kids.
girls got other lines too, Shauna. Just to let you know, they got the little crayon water things. Don't forget Sugar Mama hair shit. Oh,
Yeah, they had a
the
whole
other
line
kids
of,
got shit too that they ain't seeing the fucking profit from.
and those kids, if the money is being made off of come on, babies, they need an NIL deal. If you gonna use their name, image, and likeness, that money got to go to
Sniff,
them.
sniff, sniff, sniff.
Come on, like this. If you're going to use them, because that's what it is. I know people love to change the verbiage. No, it's using the children. That's exactly what it is. And you know
Yep.
why it's using the children?
Sweatshop.
Because every time she comes out, she does this. I'm a single mother. She's not.
You're not.
She's not.
You're a
That
divorced
woman is
woman with
not.
kids
Come on. She is a divorced woman. She is not a single mother. A
who
single
knows
mother
where
is a
their baby
woman
daddy at.
that had the child by her damn self. And she's doing it by her damn self. She is not doing it by herself. We
Baby,
know she's not doing it by herself because her paramour, aka that lady
baby,
husband,
bitch, you gonna stop taking out my mouth what I about to say when you stop when you took a pause. I'm sick of you.
yeah, because that lady husband is over there taking them children to get to their daddy. Where the hell you at? What you doing?
Shout out to Arion. Cause y'all not gonna ever make me believe that word ain't come from Arion. Remember they tried to call her Paramore? Oh bitch. But Arion said put Paramore right there, bitch. Paramore, yep. That's what
But
he is. You fucking side chick of the year, bitch. Yep. Side nigga.
you doing side chick of the year. If she's the side chick, if Ariana was the side chick of the year, what are you?
Shit. And what is
What are
he?
you?
Oh, so he
What
Kevin
are you?
Costner? I don't fucking think so. Kevin
What are
Costner can
you?
turn his whole motherfucking neck around, bitch.
Well, he don't. You don't need a bodyguard because ain't nobody trying to do nothing to you.
Because you wanna be with me.
Child, she could be
Also,
Whitty Hutton.
baby, the fact that Martell detailed this shit the way he did, baby, Martell slow walked the shit out of your ass, and everybody was like, "He's still fucking with her. Why he won't leave her the fuck alone?" When he wasn't saying shit. So again, Melody, who have the mellow meters hurt? You motherfucker, you. Cause guess what? While they was telling him to lying on him, saying he was still fucking with you, but he was being quiet. Oh, baby, he was building his motherfucking case. And he still ain't said shit. He's letting the paperwork speak for him, just like the old lady let the Lord speak for her. She let him speak for her, and he letting the court speak for him and his lawyer. And he got a good.
And
And
if you pay
your lawyer,
attention,
Sean Jinka Richmond, whatever the fuck her
come on,
name, her
Sean
ghetto
Jenkins.
named
What's
ass.
this
Yeah.
shit? It's Sean G. Lord.
Chandrika Richardson, bitch. Yeah, her, the one that fucked you over. Fucked you over. You wanna be fucked over. Fucked you over. Real good and bad.
Get out of here, Tina. You carry your ass. Get gone,
She wanna
Tina.
be fucked over. God damn it.
That was baby show.
Eyes are fucked over now.
Ooh.
I said eyes are fucked over now.
Okay, see, now
Bitch.
that's another thing. Come on, Kia. Here's the thing. You wanted us to believe that Martell was abusive. You wanted us to believe that he was violent. You wanted us to believe that you were scared of him.
Although you
Then
the
you
most
want to come,
abusive.
but then you want to come back to us and tell us, well, all I did was touch him. Why are you snatching on a man you supposed to be scared of? What you
And
snatching
hate.
on him for? I've never see this is that Karen shit. Nobody runs towards the danger. If there's danger afoot, why are you running towards the danger? Why are you going towards the thing that you're supposed to be fearful of? That does not make any
Why are
sense.
you awakening sleeping beds, bitch?
That's
Thank
like
you, Charlie.
if someone is holding a weapon, right? They're holding a weapon and you can see said weapon. Are you going to run towards that person or away? Are you going
Baby.
to run or are you going to flee? Common sense would tell you to get away from the dangerous thing. Like, do you put your hand on a hot pot?
Nope,
No,
she put it on
because
her
you could
hip
hurt yourself. Like,
and she
what are
did.
we doing? Child.
She put her hand up on her hip, and when she dip, you dip. Hey, hey.
But how, okay, and then this is a question as a mother. How the hell did you think that it was gonna go over that you could take your man? Because I'm gonna call him your man. I said it.
I
This is
take
the
your
sole opinion.
man.
This is an opinion. See, we're allowed to have those. You let your man take your kids to their daddy,
As
but
if it was right.
you were mad about his woman being around your kids. See, that's not how this
Exactly.
works. That's not how this thing works. See, at some point, we have to be adults. And I do. There was a very long period of time where Martell was very childish. Very
Mm-hmm.
childish. We ain't gonna skip past that because I know a lot of y'all are a little slow. Because Martell, yes, Martell did a lot of childish ass shit. He did.
He just
He
grew up
did. And I think at some point he made the decision that you have to love your kids more than you
more.
hate the other parent.
Mm-hmm.
That has to happen. I am quite sure that Martell thinks of Mel and be like, "What the hell did I have kids with this heifer for?" And Martell, and Mel may feel the same way. It's quite possible she like, "Damn, why did I do this shit?" But guess what? You did it 4 times over,
Because you loved him.
4 times over, and you can't get away from it.
Because you stole
Well, no,
him.
no, 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 no. Martell telling a damn lie. He want her to get a mugshot like him.
Here
Better
we go with Francis again. With
him. He
France.
better effing criminal. He just mad because Melody left his ass. It took her money with her. Okay,
We
so
mad
guess
at
what?
your damn at this shit. We mad at your comment, ma'am. That's the only thing we mad
France.
at. And the only thing
Okay.
we hate is your comment. Not you, but your comment and your typing.
No.
I hate it, hate it, hate it, hate it.
Okay, so France, can you answer me this, sugar? Who has a job that we know of? Who has a job that we can see? Who has a
Oh,
tangible
my hand
position?
up. My hand
Who
up.
has
Can I
who
answer?
has a
Can I
who
get an
has a
answer,
tangible
teacher?
position? Who has a
Martell
boss?
Holt.
Oh, okay. Who who is still getting credits on
I
a
got it
TV
right.
show? Who still is on TV? Who do we still see consistently at their job?
Don't you come over here trying to put spells in my damn chat with these talking in twos and
So what
threes
if
and keep
she
saying,
got
don't
wait?
you ain't
So
gonna
what
come
if
over here
she
with that
got a
Melody
man?
Hall shit. No,
Don't
you're
he
not.
got a whole woman? He got a whole woman in a side
Yep.
baby out there. Was she supposed to be single forever? No, nobody expects her to be single forever. But what she
She
shouldn't
ain't
do is
supposed to
be
be with
sleeping with
nobody else's
somebody's husband.
husband.
She ain't supposed to sleep with nobody's husband. She definitely is supposed to date at some point. She's supposed to.
That
That's
is
how this
that
thing works.
lady husband. That lady over there,
That man
her
is married.
husband. The one they said was going through a cancer battle with the
Melody
kid
was
with
an
his boy.
hold on, child. It's getting better. Melody was
I
another
love ignorant
mad
France.
about coleslaw being around her kids. Stop lying on Melody. She said she didn't care about
Why
Ariana,
the
because I'm
fuck
not
would she
calling her
say?
that, being around her kids. Don't mistreat her kids. Okay, well, why
Stop
is that
lying.
man? Why is that man, aka that lady husband, carrying around their child? That's Martell's child. That's
Right.
Martell's daughter.
And Martell
Why is
got a
that man
problem
carrying
with
her
it.
around?
Nobody cares
He
if
should
Mel
have a
ain't
problem
got a
with it.
problem. Martell do.
He should have a problem with it. You don't
The
want no
fuck?
other grown man carrying around your small daughter.
Hold
Hell,
up.
small daughter or son.
We got action, Shauna. Happy
Hey,
birthday to you. Hey, hey. Happy birthday to you. Happy
hey,
birthday, Miss Gloria. Happy birthday to you. Hey, girl, happy birthday. Yep.
happy
I couldn't get the bang
bang,
bang niner gang together, but I
bang,
got that
bang, Niner gang. Happy
Gloria.
birthday,
I got
Gloria.
that.
Happy birthday. Child, what to say? She should have took his ass down when he. Oh, so you think? Okay, friends. So let me ask you this: Do
Well,
you
he
think
taking her down for the 10.
the? No, no, no. Here's my thing. So you think that she should eliminate the father of her 4 children as if these 4 kids don't care nothing about their daddy? So this is the funny thing about heifers like you, just old weird wenches. It don't make no damn sense. You do know that these children share that man's DNA. You do know that these children still love their father in the midst of a really fucked up situation that 2 grown ass people put 4 children in. You do know that, right? See, you so busy trying to sniff a butt plug out of her ass that you don't pay attention to the fucking children.
And trying to throw Martell shit, the shit that Martell doing to her, he's still standing for your baby daddy or your ex husband or still boyfriend. But what do you mean? He better be glad
How she
it won't
steal him?
your money.
He
It was
hold
never
on.
gonna be your
How
money.
she steal him? He married her fresh out of college. He didn't make her work. He didn't make her wait a decade. Like, baby, no,
What?
no, 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 no. I don't even know what you're talking about because we're talking about her sleeping with somebody's husband. Because at this point, that man is single. He can do whatever he wants to do.
What the fuck did
He
you
is,
just read?
he's with, child, I don't know. He's with a single woman. She's with a married man. Can we figure out how that works? How do we honor that? How do we uplift that? How do we say, oh, Melody the Christ? Yes, everybody go sleep with somebody's husband. What?
But it was
What?
bad when Coleslaw did it. It's okay when Mel do it. Get out
Right.
of
That's the thing.
here.
And then the thing about it, Mel told that man to go get a girlfriend, and that's what he did. So no, we're not running around calling that woman a damn side chick because she ain't and she wasn't. She never
That was a
was.
girlfriend.
That was his girlfriend from the gate because his wife told him to go get a girlfriend. See, women always say they need a man to listen. He listened. Can't be mad at that.
Mel
Stop
said she
telling
want
people to
everybody
do
to
stuff you
listen
don't want them to do.
and get mad.
End of Martell so heard about Jason being around his kids. Why he don't pull up on Jason like he do the man on the show?
Go to jail.
Okay, so
Go to jail
friends,
for Mel.
friends, you a
So
little
y'all can be
slow.
like, I told y'all he still was in love with her.
Friends,
See, look, he
baby,
went
you a
over there
little
to fight
slow.
Jason because he had to fight to prove his love. See, you don't
Yeah,
fight nobody if you ain't in love with somebody. Shut
but
up. Ain't nobody
he,
going to jail for no
here's the
goddamn
thing.
decrepit pussy male. Nobody.
It's
No
not even
fucking
that.
body.
If we are already in court, we handle it in court, right?
Y'all want
We're
Martell to be
already in court.
stupid so bad.
What to say? Martell didn't give a damn about those kids when he didn't ruin his family. He did not cause all of what he's going through. He did what he was asked to do. His wife told him to go get a girlfriend. That's what he did. He was asked to go do something and he went out and did it. He didn't ruin a goddamn thing. She's the one that threw the marriage away because remember, she was the one that gave the rules to respectful cheating. That
Oh,
was
but
her
also,
law. That was her rule.
But also, how you gonna be mad about him getting a girlfriend when you told him to go get a girlfriend when you didn't have a problem with the other women that he had got because you told you knew about the motherfucker. Remember the one with the dance
Baby,
studio in
wait, wait, wait,
DC?
wait. It's getting
So
better,
not
child. It's
only
getting
did she
better.
tell him go get a girlfriend, she told a nigga who she know already had other girlfriends to go
Baby,
get a fucking girlfriend. You really thought he wasn't gonna
I'm
take you
tickled.
up on your offer? For real? That's what we supposed to believe?
These comments is blowing me. Melody Polly, wish she ain't never met him.
Not
Well, guess
Polly.
what? Okay, guess what? You know what Mel
You been watching
Polly
the
could have done?
polygamist?
No. You know what Mel Polly could have done? Mel Polly
I
could
don't
have
know how
left
you
him
do
with
that.
the woman he was engaged to. Hmm?
Yeah, her sorority.
That's what
That's
she
what
could
I
have
wanted
done.
to answer. Her
That's what
sorority
she could
sister.
have
That's
done.
who she stole him from.
She could have
Yeah,
left him with the woman he was with when she went and took him. She could have left him. None of this had to be.
I told you. I told her to go get her
Yes,
husband back. I told her earlier. I told her
yes, why?
husband go
Yes,
steal her
why he don't?
boyfriend.
Okay, but here's the thing. Why would he run up on Jason? They're already in court. See, when you once you take it the legal route, we handle it legally. I don't have no reason to run up on nobody when I can go to the court and make them make you do what you're supposed to do. The same way she took him to court, he retaliated in court, which is the smart thing to do,
Oh, baby.
especially when you have four children involved.
See,
Especially.
Shauna, I'm gonna need you to do what Rihanna say and take a bow because I'm taking mine. Cause baby,
Come on.
the mellows are heated. The mellows are heated.
The
They're
tree,
on
the tree.
fire. But I
The
appreciate
tree
y'all not
frogs are
being
falling
punks
out.
and actually dropping down from the tree, you tree frogs.
The tree frogs are falling out. Let's be clear, this situation has
It's
nothing
raining
to do with the
frogs.
kids. It actually has everything to do with the kids. Because guess what? If it had nothing to do with the kids, then she would not have her man, her boyfriend, that lady husband carrying around her child just so she can agitate her ex-husband. See that's the thing. No, because y'all so busy trying to suck a butt plug out her ass, y'all don't want to pay attention to
And
what
this
she's
sucker
doing.
blood plug is taking me out.
Yeah, Martell hates Mel. The thing is, Mel hates Martell. So, I mean, what are we saying? I mean, at this point, who would like somebody that you are now divorced from? Who would like somebody that y'all got to a point where y'all hate each other? It's not one or the other, it's both. Neither one of them like each other. And who the hell cares? Because the only thing that they should be concerned about is the best interest of these children. And clearly, if you have your child, your young son having 15 disciplinary actions at their school, there's something going on behaviorally and it needs
Only
to be dealt
since
with.
he has been out of Martell's 1 week on, 1 week off fucking custody. When he was with the 1 week on, 1 week off, he ain't dare try none of this shit. This is a stain on Mel's parenting, not motherfucking Martell's. She out there, boy, got that boy up there singing songs, she recording them. His friend probably fucking teased his ass. Boy, you was up there looking like Tevin Campbell. You was singing your little heart out with your
Baby,
side
I'm
shape,
trying to
goddamn shape up.
wait. Here's the funny thing. Does anybody know what's in Martell's bank account? Because everybody seems to want to say that this man is broke. We
But they don't
see
want
him
to talk
out,
about what's in Mel's or
but
what's not in Mel's.
when you do see him out, he's at nice events. He's doing nice things. He's dressed
Driving a nice
well,
truck,
drives a nice vehicle, and he doesn't brag
owns
or
a nice
boast because
home.
he doesn't have to. See, real money is quiet. You ain't got to be out here bragging and showing off. That's how you know somebody really ain't got what they claim they have because they got to act all extra about it. What
Who
would you,
said Melody was
baby?
jealous of coleslaw?
Would you
When
be
did y'all?
say
I'm so tired of y'all putting words in our mouth.
acting like a nigga that ain't never had shit? Like this is what we're watching. We're watching somebody that ain't never had nothing get a couple dollars and lose her mind because of it. And if everything was the way she wanted it to be, baby, she only wanted them damn kids as much as she could because she was trying to make money off of them.
And
Huh?
she was trying to
I
hurt
said it.
Martell. She know Martell love his kids to fucking death, and that was her way of taking the dick out on him
Mm.
as fucking well. Ma'am, well, where the fuck was Mel when Mel was talking about how good of a motherfucking father Martell was? How one thing she could never take away from him is his
Okay,
fucking
wait.
parenting.
Hold on.
Why the fuck didn't she stay home that night when she had a
Baby,
bag
they
in one
coming.
hand,
Hold on.
a bag in the
Who
other hand?
harassing?
Sugar
Who
Mama
he
was
keep
a
take?
empty. She was
Who keep
crying to the
taking
top
her
of
to
her
court?
lungs, trying to suck on Martell packs because she was hungry, and that bitch ain't even fucking look back. So if we gonna
Okay.
talk about people not wanting their motherfucking kids or caring about their kids, let's bring a whole all the motherfucking facts in, bitch. I'm
Okay,
sick of
no,
y'all with this. He
and
ain't a
since
good
we in
damn
court,
daddy shit.
no, I got it. Since we in court, France, didn't Mel just try to take him and get an order of protection against him, and the judge
And it
shut
was
that down?
denied.
Since we're talking about court, because see, this is I'm gonna stay with you because this is what you want to do, and this wasn't even about getting in the pockets. She tried to say that he owed that money. He paid the $7,500. That money was paid. So what's the problem? That money was paid and cleared up. So what's the problem?
And yes, Ariane wasn't nobody's wife when Martell got with her ass. She was a candy striper. She was at the in nursing school. That
Martell
lady
owns some
know that that
revenge
man is
shit.
married. Remember that it's gonna be a long, hilarious weekend. Taking a picture of that man's finger without his ring on. Remember that?
Baby, wait a minute. No, no, no. See, here's the thing
I
about
can't
when it
keep up
came
with this
to the
bullshit these
money.
people talking.
When it came to the money, they both decided. Because, see, here was the thing when it came. I know y'all love to say, oh, child support. They didn't do child support because if that was the case, both of them would have had to give up all of their financial information. Mel would have had to give up all of hers, and he would have had to have given up all of his. And then at that point, they would have made a determination who would have got child support and how much would have been given. That's how this thing works. I don't know why you don't understand that they do not have a child support agreement. The agreement they have is for extracurricular activities and for medical expenses. That's the agreement they have when it comes to the finances of the children. That's it, and that's all. There is no child support on either end.
And Mel said she didn't want no damn child support. Let's not forget that part. But Shauna, you know I hate being misquoted. So can you please tell these people what the what you said about the butt plug? Because what I do know is that you did not say that you said we need to get butt plugs out of our asses. You need to get the butt plug out of Martell's ass. That ain't what the fuck she
No,
said. She said y'all
no,
want
what I
to
said. I said that y'all keep trying to suck a butt plug
suck.
out of Mel's ass.
So I just
Suck.
don't misquote my sis. Get it right. God damn it. That nigga Jason is a professional man, a professional motherfucker that can't turn to the left, to the left. This nigga couldn't be a professional police officer. The fuck you talking about?
Okay, but you're saying that Martell said that Melody is a good mother, but Melody has always touted that Martell was a great father. So what's the problem? If we gonna go off of that, then we have to take both sides because she has always said he was a good dad.
And
Always. She didn't change
remember,
her mind
you
until it was beneficial for her too. Then all of a sudden shit was different. So it and you can call I don't even understand how he became a bitch ass nigga. What did he do?
but hold on, Sean. You just said that Martell should stay his ass at home and took care of the kid. Well, Let's talk about Mel. Another thing, Mel, a bad mama back. Remember when the fuck Martell was in there doing homework, trying to breastfeed Sugar Mama? Goddamn it, was trying to wash the dishes, was fucking trying to fucking teach kids how to tie their fucking shoe and shit, and tell them a riot about a period because Mel wasn't doing shit. And all he asked Mel to do was stop and get some fucking food. And that bitch came in the house smiling with nothing in her motherfucking hand. That's neglect, bitch.
Yeah, and Mel is trying to win. She's trying to win her case in the court of public opinion. Ain't no money there. All the
But she
money
see it
that you
ain't
got
working.
in
That's
the
why she
but
quiet.
all the money that you got out of the court of public opinion has dried up. People no
That's all
longer
she
want to
gonna
hear
get.
your old stories about people on the TV show that you have not been on, and it seems like 3 or 4 years at this point. You've been gone a long, long, long time. Nobody wants to hear about how you felt about castmates on a show that has moved on without you. Nobody cares. That's why that Patreon dried up so quickly because you had nothing to talk about. And honestly, people don't want to sit up and listen to you badmouth your damn ex-husband because he's your ex-husband. Why are you still on that? I thought God told you to go a long time ago. See how you don't listen?
He's supposed to take her to court. It was okay when she was lying, getting that man visitation rights fucking suspended and shit when she was taking. See, y'all don't never want to talk about the shit that Mel has done to make Martell retaliate with the shit that he does. I'm sick of y'all one-sided motherfuckers. Y'all get real bad amnesia. She's the birthday all other days. But as soon as it's something that don't make her look good, oh, y'all automatically forget about that shit. Because how many times
That's
did you take him to court? How many days did he miss with his children?
right. And
And
the
he
thing
should
is, she did,
sue her
but
motherfucking
all of
ass.
that, but let's keep it a buck. All of that was so that she could come back and claim to be an abused woman. So she could claim, so she could keep the grift going to keep people buying her products. Because remember, every time she brought up some crazy ass story, there was a discount code.
Just like every
Every
time you hear time,
single
angel
time.
gets his wings, bitch. Yeah.
There was a discount code. Every single time it was something. Even when she was going after other people, there became a discount code. Where's her code now?
And we got a code for y'all. Go ahead over there and put the got your ass, bitch. Shout out to Marcella. That's the new code. Hashtag got your ass, bitch.
Charlie, they live in the past because there's nowhere else for them to go. They don't want to go nowhere. They want to stay in the past. That's why things like this make them so upset because it forces them to see that things and people have moved forward. There's nothing you can do. It's over.
Sure enough. Martell on some revenge shit. Coleslaw says she took him with her eyes closed. Maybe she needs to open them up and see that he's still harassing his ex-wife. When Mel went a whole week and a half writing subliminal posts about this man, dragging her kids in fucking to it, fucking dragging y'all motherfucking heartstrings into the shit and making you fucking pay for it. How do y'all not never see nothing wrong with that shit? But Martell does what he is within his rights to do as a fucking U.S. fucking citizen born and raised here. Now, if he did go after her ass, y'all want him to go after her so bad because y'all want an excuse. Y'all want to be able to pull something up and put it on your screen and say, "Look what he said. Look what he did.
Okay,
Mel was
I
right.
got
Mel
something.
said it." I'm
I
not
got
chasing behind the
something.
crazy
Mm-mm.
motherfucker that I'm scared of.
Here
I
we
don't
go.
want to be around you.
Muffin scammer, sweetie. We didn't gather all this from a 1 hour show. Clearly, you're late to the party because I literally just read an entire court document,
Go
five
back to the
pages
beginning.
of court documents. 5 pages of court documents of him taking her back to court because of her violations of the previous court order. A court order she agreed to, by the way. She has been violating it time and time again in numerous ways. And he took her ass back to court for said violations. This is beyond, we are so far beyond a TV show that she is no longer on, that she ran away from, supposedly calling it this my show. How the hell you gonna, this my house? I built this. Well, then why you let somebody else live in your house?
And
Because
somebody trying to
clearly
take your seat.
that show has not stopped. Which didn't she say? Oh, somebody trying to take my spot, trying to take my throne. How the hell somebody gonna take your throne if you still sitting there? You got up and walked off. And Destiny put this show on her back and started marching, quiet as a
Because
skip. Right now, she top dog in that show.
remember, y'all got mad when Miss Nell said, "Did Mel just compare herself to Jesus Christ?"
She did.
And did.
She did.
and did. And what old documents? Give me the documents where Martell asked for access to the kids and Mel's money. Please show me the document.
Muffin, sugar, sweetie, honey, whoever you are or whatever you are. I need you to put down a little marker because you playing hopscotch, because you jumping all over the damn place. I'm gonna need you to pick a point and stick to it. But you actually can't because the shit you're doing don't make no sense. Now
A
you
G
talking
Wagon from
about run
2018.
run her that 17K back. Sweetie, do you understand that when you're married, that's marital money, right? What's hers is his and what's his is hers. That wasn't her $17,000. That was joint money in a joint bank account. So at best, she was supposed to get half of it. And guess what? That part has also been settled because he didn't have to pay that money back. What he had to pay was attorney fees, which was $7,500, which he has already paid. That's already been cleared up. He don't owe her nothing. She actually owes him and
$10,323
50
fucking
cents.
cents.
She actually owes him. He does not owe her anything. Everything
And
that
she
he was
living
told
in
to
a
pay in the
rented
court has
house.
been
Stop acting
paid.
like that lady own that shit. Shut the fuck up. And y'all act like that G Wagon is a 2025, 24, 23, 22. That's a shut up. Martell has a car too. And even if Ariana did have a Buick, it's a fucking car. Y'all be killing me with this trivial bullshit. You can't fucking win on the merits of this. What the fuck was just read. So now you want to talk about everything but the fucking facts and the reason that we are fucking here. What has Arion got to do with this? Because I could have sworn I didn't hear Arion name not one time and not name one of these docs that my good sis Shauna just fucking read.
But
Why is Arion even here?
the $17,000 once again for the slow people and the tree frogs and the bitches in the cheap seats.
Don't block
See,
friends.
let me
Don't
don't block
don't
no
block.
damn body. Don't block
Not baby
nobody.
Sonya said I don't like you.
You ain't gotta like them. Don't block nobody. This is for this is for the bitches in the cheap seats. When you are married,
I love you,
see
Sonya.
this
The bitch said
when you
I
are
don't like you.
married. I need people to understand how marriage works. Don't you understand when two become one? That means everything is joint. That means that money was joint money. That 17,000 was not hers. That was theirs. And it was in a bank account that both of them had access to. So he took it. Tanya, stop doing that shit.
Look at the screen. So he not moving. He Martell tried to not move Sugar Mama money because he broke. Because bitch, that still means not to move. It does not
Child,
mean
that
to take.
thank
I'm just saying he wanted her money to stand still.
thank you, Sammy April. We ain't got no reason to block no damn body. We can do we light these hoes up.
No,
Let
she
them
didn't
stay.
block it. She said
Oh,
time out. Thank you,
I'm about to say,
Kia.
child. We ain't got to block nobody. We could light these hoes up because verbally they can't hang. I don't have a problem going back and forth with none of these heifers. It ain't
I'm
gonna worry me.
enjoying it.
They gonna make themselves mad before they make me mad. I promise you that.
And also, thank you for your super chat, kid. She doesn't get to decide not to pay that. It's called a court ordered. She
That
can't
part.
violate a court order. So, like I
And
said when
that's
Shauna first
why
started
he's
reading this
taking her
shit,
to court
now
now
it
because she
may
has
be,
violated the court order several times over, which is the reason he is taking her back to court. She finds herself having staring down the barrel of another court proceeding because of the fact that she has continuously violated a court order.
but also we think it possibly could. The warrant could be possibly because she was grabbing on him in the fucking cafeteria. But after listening to this shit, it very well could be also because this bitch has been in contempt of fucking court. How many damn
Baby,
times
hold
she
on,
done been
hold
in
on,
contempt
hold
of
on,
court
hold
just
on.
as many times as the
Hold
fucking tank has
on,
been to the
hold
principal's office?
on,
It sounds
hold
like.
on, hold on. He owes her more money in child care, spouse support, and more. Martell needs prison, and you
When
clowns
was
is
that
crazy
order?
because Martell don't like women. He hates y'all. I don't need him to like me because
I
I'm
don't
not
like
into
him. I
Martell
know.
like that. I'm
What the
not into
fuck?
Martell like that. The thing is, I'm going off what his
Right is
ex-wife
right.
said. She called him an excellent father, and he actually don't owe her nothing. You know why if he owed her, the court would have told him he did. The only thing he owed was $7,500 in court fees, which has already been paid. She actually owes him because per their agreement, they have to pay for extracurricular activities and medical expenses, and he has done that, and he has paid her portion to the tune of what, JoAnn?
$10,323.50.
That's how much money she owes him. And that's
And,
in the court order.
and also, again, baby, if you only had a brain, why would you fucking try to garnish somebody's money, talk about they owe you some money when you know you owe them more fucking money? Even him paying you your money, you still owe him $3,000 more.
But guess what? You know why she never went after him for money? Because she never wanted to disclose her finances.
What?
She never went after him for spousal support nor child support because that would mean she would have to put out
Open them
her
books.
financial information, and she was never going to do that. I got to mute for a second.
He's so desperate for money, he all in Atlanta at a disability office in a tutorial. Bitch, you do know that's a turtle, right? Sir, he was in the turtle shell? What? A tortoise? Do you mean turquoise? I don't even know what the fuck you trying to touch. Trying to come back and I don't know if he's from Alabama or what. I don't know if he's from Bessemer, where Bonda from. But what the fuck? What is you talking? Can you type it right so I can understand and comprehend? Mel is in motherfucking Georgia with an arrest warrant. So he can go to Georgia too if he wants. But guess what he ain't trying to do? He ain't up here
That
writing
lady ain't
cryptic
in Georgia.
messages talking about something he gonna be away from his kids until they grown and they gonna have to come and find his ass
That woman is not in Georgia. She went down there for 20 seconds just so she could try to prove to people, oh, I don't have to deal with this. I don't have to deal with that.
and take
That
a
thing
picture at the
is,
sign.
she took a picture, but at the end of the day, she still has to deal with the fact that there is a warrant out for her. Warrants don't disappear because you wish them to. Warrants don't disappear because you talk about your ex-husband. She still has to handle that.
Cause
It
y'all
doesn't
see
go
what happened
away
to
just because she doesn't
Marceau.
like it.
Marceau just got a fucker that one from the last DUI he had, and when his ass got locked up, he got charged more. He had to pay a bond on the goddamn warrant, and the other shit he didn't even have to pay for on that
No,
behalf.
no,
It was
no, no,
about
no.
the
Hold on,
warrant.
hold on, hold
So
on, hold
one
on,
thing
hold
we
on,
have
hold
learned
on, hold
about
on.
Huntsville, and I'm gonna keep saying it, baby, what they not gonna do is chase your ass. Oh, baby, they not gonna tie themselves out, but they
Okay, hold on.
know your
I
ass gonna
gotta,
have to
I
come
gotta
to the
respond.
DMV. You gonna have
I
to
gotta
do
respond.
something,
Mm-mm, mm-mm, mm-mm.
and
I
they
need
gonna
this
grab
one.
your ass.
I need this one. So he owes 18 years for 4 kids. He is trash. Y'all should be ashamed of y'all selves.
They ain't even 18
This is
yet.
why black women get no respect now. No, black women that don't handle their business properly don't get nor do they deserve respect. If she wanted any sort of financial situation from him, she had an opportunity to do that during divorce court, and they were in court for goddamn child custody as well. If at which point she decided she thought she needed money from him, she should have asked for it at that point. You cannot, after things have already been completed, come back and say, "Oh, now you owe me money." I thought she was a multi millionaire. Ain't that what y'all said? Ain't that what y'all said? And if that's the case, why are we in court documents talking about how she owes him over $10,000 for extracurricular activities and medical expenses? Because that was their agreement
That's nothing
per
to a
court order.
multimillionaire.
Per the court order, their agreement was they would split all extracurricular activities and all medical expenses. So she owes him for that. He don't owe her for nothing because clearly he has been the one making sure that the extracurricular activities were paid for, their tennis lessons and whatever other sports they're into, cheerleading, whatever activities they do,
Just like the
he's been
kids
making sure it
said.
was paid for.
The event Mel show the kids at Martell is paying for.
Right. Come on, Kia. How the hell he go? Why would he be paying for her to have childcare during her time? She's the one that decided she wanted the children 85% of the time. If that's the case, then you have to handle 85% of the business. Why am I making sure that you have childcare when the kids ain't with me? That don't even make sense. I'm gonna make sure you got a babysitter. Oh, and guess what? That man, that lady husband, the man that you hunching on, the man that's laying down with with unholstered weapons sitting on the table. Yeah, that's not your babysitter. It's not your babysitter. That's your
Aaron,
man.
Aaron, are you gonna ask Mel this question? When are they gonna stop? How long are they gonna keep fighting in court? And when it's gonna be over, can you answer that question? Because y'all only want to ask that question when Martell petitions the court. But when she petitions the court and get his fucking parental fucking rights stripped and his visitation stripped from him for months at a fucking time, oh, that's cool.
Juanita child, when I saw that with that, she had that empty backpack and a flashlight looking
Bag,
looking for bugs. Then she only put her oil on one leg. So apparently the skeeters only want to attack one leg, not the other leg, not your arms, not your chest, not nothing, just the one leg, just one.
I
That's it.
said that in that damn thing. I said this bitch is in the daytime with a flashlight, looking in an empty book bag that only got two bottles in it, acting like fucking Pookie from New Jack City. He keeps calling me, man. Where's my SAP? Oh yeah, I got to get this shit. This that good shit, bitch. Oh yeah, that bitch. What?
Oh, baby, come on, muffin scammer's back. Baby, sugar, honey, sweetie. What he had to pay was $7,500 in court fees, and that court those in lawyer fees, excuse me, and that had already been paid. So he doesn't owe her a goddamn thing. When they went to court about that $17,000, it was decided that he didn't owe that money. However, he did owe money for lawyer fees, and he has already paid that. He don't owe her nothing based on
She
court
owe him
documents. She owes him.
$10,200,
Baby,
three
don't
hundred
don't
twenty-three
wait.
dollars and
Hold
fifty
on.
cents.
This ain't your house, sugar. Don't be in here hollering next topic. You ain't been able to stay on task or topic since you've been in this chat. So don't tell nobody
Yeah,
what to do up here.
you ain't
When
talking
you
about shit
can't
that we
stay,
talked about.
you have been hopscotching all around trying to make this woman be. She's your savior. She is your Lord and Savior. I hope you took communion on first Sunday. I hope you did.
What? How is she gonna always be a side chick if that man ain't always married? Like, yeah, please help us
Baby
understand that shit.
Kia,
Y'all
reading
want that lady to be a
reading
side chick
is
so bad.
fundamental. Reading is fundamental, but these people don't want to do it because you have decided that no matter what happens, that Mel is correct and Martell is wrong. I will say this because I do think that there has been many times where Martell has been extremely childish. However, lately and the last couple years that I've seen, he has literally just been like, you know what? All right, you got it. And he's been letting her and her people run amok all over the interwebs, just dogging this man out, forgetting the fact that they have children old enough to see some of this stuff. You don't even care how the kids feel because I have always said it, and I don't know why people are so damn stupid. These kids carry half of his DNA. So if he's a demon, your words, not mine. Don't that make them half demon? Ain't they 50% demonic? If he's 100% demonic, they got to be 50% because those are his kids.
And I guess the other
His
50 is
kids.
narcissistic
She
because that's what their
she
mama
ain't
damn
never
sure is.
she ain't never once came out here and said any of those children belong to anybody else. So if he is a demon, those are half
Child,
demon.
no
Those
matter who
those
they
are
look like.
if he is a demon, then those are demon seeds. Because he say all four of them kids is his, she say all four of them kids is his, and y'all say he a demon. So what does it make? The
And the
children.
one that look like somebody else, definitely a damn demon.
Because that's the whole damn point. You can't skip around it. You also, since we want to go to revisionist history, if we go all the way back, we have to talk about how she always said he was a great dad. See, if we're gonna go back, then when we go back, we got to go back to the things she said. We got to go back to we have to go back to her with what was her thing? Respectful cheating. That came out of her mouth. Those were her words. And she had a blueprint. Remember, y'all call her the blueprint? She had a blueprint on how you respectfully cheat because she didn't give a shit about him cheating. She wanted to work on her businesses and handling her life the way she wanted it. If he would have kept them kids and shut his ass up, everything could have kept going. She wouldn't have cared.
Because she damn sure was balancing the checkbook that was paying for Arion's matching BMW.
Yeah, she was all right with Ariane being a part of her marriage. She didn't care. She was in a partial custody relationship with her own husband. Her issue didn't come in until she was no longer fully in control of the entire situation.
Yeah.
That's
And
when
she
it
was also
became a
getting them
problem.
plane tickets when they would go out of town to rehab homes and shit. Yeah, business trips. She was also paying for two tickets that wasn't, and one of them wasn't for her ass.
Yeah, the reason why Ariane started to get upset, and I understand, she was watching her man play husband on TV. That was her man. And she knew that was her man. Everybody knew that was her man. Hell, people in the city knew what it was. But all of a sudden now, we know that it came out. that they weren't even together. Carlos King had to tell them, y'all need to get back in the same house so we can film this show. They weren't even living together. So this fairy tale story that people keep telling themselves about the Mel and Martell thing is a whole crock of shit.
Kiana, go to the closet.
What she say?
Mel is the new side. Carrot raisin salad.
Child.
That is the nastiest looking shit.
The thing is, when was the child? She keeps talking about
Right,
people
Mel
being
is the
called
side chick
names and
now.
hoes and
Yeah.
whatever. Like, what are we even talking about? What? The thing is, there is no reason why Jason, who she called her security guard, but she was showing him without his ring on, even though we know that that man is still married. What you need security from?
Who the fuck said she the birthday, Kiana?
Child, we
That's the
put in the chat.
birthday.
Right. You can't have people in your home doing overnight stays that you are not with and not married to. So she's doing this. I need protection from whom and from what? Ain't nobody
Especially
looking
when
for her.
somebody sleep in the middle of the damn night. Martell gotta get up in the morning. Girl, get the kid,
But
get Knox
nobody's
ready for
looking.
school and shit. Cause we know he takes the kids to school. Martell loves taking them kids to school. He loves
Nobody's
going to
looking
lunch
to
with his
harm
kids at
her.
school. When have we ever seen Mel go take any of the kids? We have heard such and such. Little mama asked me to bring her lunch and eat lunch with her. Remember the time he even let one of her friends eat with her because the little girl didn't have a daddy over something? Remember all that? Where is Mel at these goddamn school functions when it's the parent time? We ain't never seen that shit.
Baby, come on, wait. Come on, Nicole. Like she said, how sane can you be to think that you're going to get a protective order for something that happened 2 years ago? You are not in any sort of imminent danger. And even 2 years ago,
I
you
am
never
so
got
far
a
back.
protective order against this man. You have asked for order after order after order and have yet to get one because they have never found evidence that you were truly in danger.
Muffin,
Like just
you
because
go
you keep
grab the
saying it don't make it
goddamn
true.
signature bundle. Damn it. You go get you some lemon granules and some Blanche, whatever the fuck, and a big ass bar of soap. Go get it for us.
Um, Anne Marie, I don't even know what you talking about, child. What you,
Anne
child,
Marie
what?
don't know what Anne Marie talking about.
Okay, because I'm like the whole name calling thing. Who called you a damn name, child? What you are you okay? I don't think anybody called you a name because I don't think
Baby,
anybody
the
knows
way
you.
y'all love to play victim and put words in people's fucking mouth.
Like I don't think anybody called Anne Marie a name because don't nobody know her. Have you been called a name, child? Child, we sorry. Sometimes we got decorations. Today we might not have them, but ain't nobody called you no name because we don't even know you. Okay, great.
Exactly, Juanita. Go talk about that warrant.
No, she ain't gonna talk about that warrant. She ain't gonna talk about that warrant because she's too busy. Got people lying, talking about y'all mad because she can move to Georgia. If she can move to Georgia, she'd have been gone.
Why
She
she ain't
ain't because she
moved yet?
can't.
As
Ain't
precious she
because she
been to
can't.
move. She ain't went yet. Remember, she was crying because I don't want to be here anymore. If she had a chance to go, that bitch would be there. That bitch was willing to leave her kids behind for Georgia. So get the fuck out of our face. If she could go, she'd be gone.
Yes, and that's the thing. Martell is petty because here's the funny thing, and I think people try to skip over this part. They were married for so long because they are very much alike.
They
They
the
are
same
mirrors
person.
of each other. They are a mirror reflection of each other. The problem is, see, you know how that pendulum swings one way and then it has to go back. There was a time where she was at the top of the food chain when it came to all this mess, especially in the court of public opinion. Martell did the smart thing. He shut the fuck up and took it to court and dealt with it that way. He did the smart thing. There's no point in coming out here arguing with folks when you know you can't win that argument. Women were taking their pain and compounding it with her pain and adding it to somebody else's pain. And now we got a
Was.
damn pain. Now we got a pain train. Now
They still
everybody is
are.
holding hands. Everybody is holding hands and attaching their pain to hers. And then it became lucrative. So then, if I cry a little bit more, somebody will buy my products. If I keep up mess and bullshit, somebody will buy my products. She didn't even know what was in her products because she was too busy talking that shit now.
And she still don't.
She was too busy doing that. She was too busy keeping up mess. She should have been focused on her products because there were some products that people really, really loved.
Until she started putting that demonic shit around it.
She had a good thing going and screwed it up because she was so busy trying to be mad at him.
And y'all felt all them spirits too. That's why y'all stopped buying that shit. Shut up. Go
It's
to the
time. Well,
website.
see, here's the thing, Anne, Sugar, Anne Marie. It's time to stop, but then everybody has to stop. You can't tell Martell to stop and not tell Mel to stop. See, here's the thing. If they made an agreement that they have to split those things 50-50, then nothing can stop until he is made whole. She has to give him his money. Period. There's no way to stop when he's still at a deficit now because he's paid more out than she has paid.
Nicole, go to the
That's it and that's
closet.
all.
Go to the closet. I she hope he don't she baby she don't become Betty Broderick if Martell ever get married again.
Baby, if Martell get married again, she gonna be sliding down the wall like an R&B video, hitting bad high notes.
Not pulling up in the front lawn like they did, like Betty did, and then going upstairs and taking the people out.
No, and then let's talk about how remember when she got on her Patreon just recently, she had her people pissed off because she started playing those phone calls, and her people start saying, "Now wait a damn minute! Didn't you just tell us you were scared of him? Didn't you tell us that you don't talk to him and you only talk to him through the court app?
What phone
Now all of a
call?
sudden you were playing. She was playing phone calls on her Patreon of her talking to him.
Oh, bitch, where you bitches that got it at? Bring it to me.
Yeah,
Y'all
she
held
was
out with
playing,
that shit,
and
huh?
they started asking questions like, "Why are you on the phone with him? Why are you on the phone with him so long? I thought y'all wasn't getting along. Like this is way too much
Cause they was still
conversation.
fucking
There's way too much conversation when there's supposed to be so much hate."
and touching. I just touched them slightly. Why you
And that's
touching
the
him?
why are you touching him?
Why you that
Why
close?
do you need? And then, but why are you mad that he didn't speak? Oh, you can't speak. See, you know you do that kind. You know when you do that kind of shit. When you see a man that you had sex with and he acting like he don't want to talk to you, that's when you do shit like that. Oh, you
Right.
can't speak today.
If if
When you see
that's your
somebody,
girlfriend, if that's your girlfriend, if that's
right,
your girlfriend, she wasn't last night.
right.
You wasn't saying
That's
that
like
last night, Martell.
when you standing there, you with your man, but your little yeah come walking up and he see you with your man and he walk up to you like, oh, that's how you oh you funny acting today, huh? Oh, you can't speak, huh? That's when that shit comes up. Ain't nobody ever walked up on somebody they hate or that they scared of saying, oh, you can't speak. You supposed to
Right.
be scared of him. The hell you
Cause
running
he's
up
a
on somebody
demon
you fear for, talking about, oh, you can't speak. Fuck out of here.
and he erratic. This the
I'm
same bitch that sees somebody child walking to just to speak to her ass and she turns her back. Fuck y'all. Girl, whatever. That right there should show you all about me. Cause that baby ain't got nothing to do with not a piece of this shit. And now I know y'all agree with it. Yeah, shit, if it was me, I would do the same thing. And bitch, you ain't got no soul either. The fuck? I don't give a damn. I have allowed my kids to be around siblings and not. I don't give a damn. You had that baby on me, bitch. But one thing I do want my kids to know is each other. What I do want them to do is have a real sister brother bond. Like, what is wrong with y'all? That's gonna be them kids' siblings for the rest of their life, whether y'all like it or not. And for y'all to be sitting here acting like that shit is cool, baby, y'all need to
well, you
reevaluate
know
y'all
what?
lives.
Good night, Ann. And while you praying, you need to pray that
Don't
Mel
pray for me
grows
though.
up. Mm-mm.
I'm
No, no,
sorry.
no. She's praying. She's praying for Martell. So
Okay.
when you finish praying for Martell, you need to pray for Mel that she grows up and puts her children first and gets away from that lady husband. Put that in your prayer. Good night.
Yeah, because I'm
Make
about
sure
to
you
say,
put
yep.
that.
As
Make
much
sure
as
you
I
put
love a
that
good
part in your
piece of
prayer.
prayer, not from you.
Mm-mm, mm-mm.
Don't you throw
Make
our
sure.
X on my whole family. Nope. Mm-mm. Don't you
No,
be over
make
there
you
dressed in
make
all
sure
black like Hallman. No, no. Mm-mm.
you make sure that that's a part of your prayer that she stay away from that lady husband because you cannot be mad at anything that Martell has done, but somehow be okay with what Mel is currently doing. Can't have it
Yeah.
both ways.
Because that man is married to a black woman. I thought it was all black woman empowerment. And she's supposed to be the leader of the black women empowerment movement. And she out here sleeping with another lady husband who looked like her. And shit, bitch, you know she wasn't shit. She stole one of her sorority sister, man, because fiance, because they Martell was engaged to that lady. They said But y'all wanna act
Wait,
like she got
Nicole.
morals and shit.
Wait, Nicole. It's only 7 videos over there, but it is 29.59 or 129 a month. That is a monthly fee.
Baby, it's levels to Patreon over there.
I really do. I agree, Kia. I think that the only reason why Jason is popping up as much as he is because Mel is trying to agitate Martell.
Mm-hmm.
Baby, and what we rewatching, and then wait a minute. So now she got her little troll pages with people posting her stuff. You know how mad I would be if I paid $129 just for the same damn video to end up on YouTube for free?
Baby. Nicole, you got you was you in there, Nicole? You got the access to the girl. Send it to me on IG. It's Cups by Thick Girl. Shit. It's Cups by Thick Girl. CupsByThickGirl. Yeah, on IG. But bitch, what? Now I want to know. Now I want to know what they talking about. Because, baby, the way she put her own foot in her mouth, swear she be dogging Martell and be getting and be having people looking at her like, bitch, what? Now,
Because
come
I
again,
was
say
always trying
what?
to figure out, like, and I've said this, I have said this for years, and Prosperity can tell y'all. I said years and years ago what was going to happen because she don't feed her people enough. She
Mm-hmm.
don't post enough. She don't give them enough. And this is way before Patreon. This is, I'm talking, this is
Baby,
when the
this was when they
millimeters
were
were
still
first created.
not divorced. This
Yeah,
was
this is when the
pre-divorce.
millimeters were first created. I was like, what's going to happen the day she stops posting because she don't give them enough. She don't
Mm-hmm.
feed her people.
And not only is she making money off of her kids, not only is Miss Van making money off her kids, her motherfucking mellow ass is making money off her kids. Cause what do Miss Vanessa do? Post their ass, and then what do they do? Go right to that post and go post it on their shit. Look at the nephew and the nieces. Yes, nothing like the 4-piece nuggets with their bald headed asses. Fuck y'all. God, jeez.
I said it. Baby, I promise you, I asked years ago because when she started, and Prosperity said years ago on her very first TikTok, the very first time she got on TikTok and started selling products, and she came on there and started talking shit about people. And Prosperity said, I don't give a damn who you
Thank
like or
you.
who you don't like. It don't make no sense for you to add this type of bullshit to your business.
At all.
You were
Thank
on a
you.
new, you were on a brand new platform doing brand new things, trying to get new eyes on your products. There was no need to bring drama over there. You should
One
have been
trick
coming in
pony.
on some, I am a black woman, I am a mother of four, I'm currently,
Single.
divorcing, I'm now single, I'm selling these products for, to better me and my children's lives. You should have went the positive angle and you probably would still be over there doing good things. But because
Exactly.
you wanted to sprinkle nigga glitter all over every goddamn
Mm-hmm.
thing.
Sprinkle me, man. Sprinkle me,
You
man.
you sprinkled the nigga glitter and then it got on everything and then you couldn't get it off because you started with mess and then you couldn't get away from the mess. Then you had to
And she
start
got enthralled
elevating.
in it.
Well, because the little bit of mess wasn't enough. Then you had to elevate and you had to do something crazier and something crazier. Then you start attacking content. You start having content creators be attacked. You went after another person that was selling their own products. Then you put a
Then you
bounty on
start putting
somebody's
bounties
head.
out on people
You
in
went,
my Shauna
you
voice.
went so, and then let's talk about how we know you be over here listening. I'm the one that said you put a bounty on that girl's head. That came out my
Yep.
mouth. Then all of a sudden, I ain't put no bounty on nobody's head. Oh, but y'all was over here that little this little ass Chandler, as Prosperity like to say.
Exactly.
I, Shauna, said you put a bounty on that girl's head because when you come up here and you say, I will pay you any denomination of money because I need information on a particular person, that is you putting a bounty on someone.
And the people
And
would have
like I
did
say,
what?
and like I say, in this
Mm-hmm.
economy, somebody would grab a heifer and put her in the trunk and drive her to your house and say, hey, I got her right here. And remember, that's when you said sit, two. The number is sit, two. Remember that?
And
Remember
remember you
that because
stiffed that girl?
you put out. You
on her
put out
bounty.
somebody's number, and that girl that you were talking about was getting harassed. She had people ordering stuff and sending
Sending
it to
shit to
her
her
house.
house.
She got all sorts of threats. She was dealing with all kind of stuff just because you wanted to attack another woman. But I thought it was protect black women, right?
Hmm.
That's what I thought.
I thought
That's
you
what I
blew
thought
me
it
the
was supposed to be. No, that girl didn't never get her $1,000. She asked for it and she said she needed it for school.
that college student that could have really
I
used it.
apologize, y'all, because the people still think it's Fourth of July, so I apologize in advance for the
I'm
fireworks
about to
that
ask
you
you what
may
you was
hear
banking
behind
on.
my head.
You sound like Bob the Builder. You sound like
Child,
Q over
fireworks.
there.
I'm sitting in the house. They
Baby,
popping
I thought you
fireworks
was
outside.
banking some ice or something after my hand daughter did.
No, fools popping fireworks. But that's the thing. She came up there and gave, and she did it more than once. Remember when she tried to give Martell's number, said, I'm just gonna keep two of the numbers. I'm gonna show you the numbers, and then I'm gonna keep two of the numbers. And then if you can figure out the numbers, when she was doing her black scent, shout out to Kiana. Okay, okay.
And Stormy
You know,
still ain't got her fucking apology. This bitch went on vacation. And she went on vacation and y'all lost her a billionaire. Again, Mill. The things that the millimeters have done to her, yeah. Cause I still be cussing y'all ass out.
guess what? Muffin scammer. If she's doing just fine, then she needs to pay Martell $10,323.50.
If she don't find why y'all over here like this? Why y'all so
And
frantic?
if she's doing just fine and people buy her products every day, you know what you could be doing instead of sitting over here?
Go on the
You could be
website
going to
buying the
buy products.
product.
You could be buying her products. You don't even have to be here. You could be over there. You could be buying products. You could be over there
Oh, bitch, is
supporting your
that
girl.
thing you put in our chat earlier? Where the fuck is that shit still in the DM? Cause baby took me the fuck out. Baby, not
Like
this where Mill got
that's
her
what you
shit from. Baby.
baby,
Yep.
that's what you should be doing. You should be over there buying products from your Lord and Savior Melody the Christ.
Yes. Do I need to
Because
do? Yep. I ain't upgraded. I ain't putting it up. I can't.
she got a $10,000 bill that she gotta pay. And y'all should be helping her.
Help! She needs somebody.
Come on. The thing is, he was taking care of his children and he will continue to do so. He
Martell
don't want to be
always taking
bothered
care of
with
his
her.
kids. Fuck y'all
And
with
I
that
think that
stupid
that
shit.
I truly believe, I don't even think she necessarily wants him per se. She just wants control over
She,
everything.
right, and she likes disruption.
Yeah, I think she wants the control over every single thing. And when she had control, she was fine. Whether she wanted to see him, talk to him, whatever. I don't know if they're sleeping together, and it doesn't matter to me. I truly believe
But
she
that's what
just
Mariah said.
wants control.
And Mariah said, I saw mommy kissing Jason Claus.
Baby, God told her to go, and she said, wait a minute. Then God said, go again. She said, hold on. God said, go again. She said, let me make a sweatshirt. God said, go again. She said, now hold on. Let me get on TikTok. When were you
Ba-
going to listen?
Baby, she said, please be patient with me. I'm not ready to lose the curve yet.
Baby, God told her to go, and she told God, hold up. Wait a
She
minute.
asked God to be understanding. She said, God, you know it's not that easy. You know it's not that easy, God. I'm trying, Lord. I'm trying. And God was like, no, 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 no. You take it too long. So you know what? This what you gonna get.
Drop the link for Keon.
Oh, yeah, I done did it
Here we
now.
go. Here we go.
You done did it now.
You know what, Nicole? I believe that too. Like she wants him to break up with Ariane and then chase her just for her to be like, I don't want you.
Baby. Because a person who is no longer in anything with their ex-husband does not get wet and moist every fucking time she's talking about this man still wanting her. Bitch, y'all not gonna ever make me believe it. Evidently, the hook and the curve has started working, and the bed is even wetter than before.
See, too.
Cause I love me some motherfucking Martell. Martell said shit where the bed was wet. You can
And I
lie,
will,
but I know,
you
and
know,
you know the truth, bitch.
I will forever and always not be cool. Like you can't tell me, oh, I was married to somebody for 14 years and they never pleased me. At this point, I'm not blaming her. I'm not blaming him. I'm blaming you because you sat your ass over there
And
and
you
stayed.
cheating. You gonna give me bad
But
dick, and you, yeah,
right.
right,
You stayed married to a man for 14 years and had four children and a couple of them that you yeeted back to Jesus. And you gonna tell
exactly.
me, you want to tell me
Some of the
that
ones
you
that ain't
stayed
make
with
the
this
cut,
man all these years and he could not bring you the pleasure, then you the fool. He can't be the crazy one. You have to
boo
be
boo
the
the
fool.
fool,
You have to be like it don't make no damn sense. Ain't no way on this side of heaven nor hell I ain't gonna sit with you for 6 months,
baby.
let
I'm
alone
not gonna
14 years.
sit with you for 6 times of habitat. You ain't gonna get 6 times.
Because why the hell would I stay that long? Ain't nobody gonna tell me, oh, because I loved him. Girl, go to hell and shut up.
You ain't
Because you
loving when
can't
you
even
first
love
started
that.
fucking him. Stop.
But you can't, I can't love nobody that can't please me. I don't even know how to do that.
Exactly.
How do you love somebody that does not give you pleasure? Like,
I know,
please make that make sense.
baby.
Somebody tell somebody that knows somebody to come tell me and explain it to me like I'm five, because that shit don't make no sense.
Your name ain't gotta be pleasure, please, Pete, but bitch, you better pleasure me.
If you cannot pleasure me, ain't no way.
Kiana, you muted if you talking, baby.
We ain't never even gonna get to the marriage. The marriage, excuse me.
My bad, y'all. I told y'all these motherfucking comments. I can't even shit. Every time I think I got caught up.
Baby Keith says she ain't gonna be happy to him and Ariana. And then that's another thing. People posting that like they're excited about it. Oh, him and Ariana broke up. Y'all happy about that? Why would you be happy about like
Cause
how
that
is
mean
that
he
a
gonna
great
harass your
thing?
girl more, right?
But how is that even a good thing? And why do you care? People act like they can't stand Martell, but every time
Why do
he do
you
something, everybody running over there.
care?
Like I thought y'all was told not to talk about him. I thought y'all was told not to watch the show. How the hell did y'all end up on Stormy's live and then the lie y'all try to tell? Now that's because we really love Lala. Go to hell.
And you ain't supposed to be watching nothing to storm it.
Right.
Shit.
No, no. The lie that they used for that was that they all were Lala supporters, and then they happened to realize that Lala was over there with her, and that was the only reason they ended up over there. Not because they wanted to see Stormy, but simply because they wanted to support Lala. So
Okay,
their ultimate support of Lala made them go over there. Like, get out of
hold
here.
on. So all out of all the other women that has been supportive of Mel, and all of the people that have been supportive of Mel and other people that they have dropped like a bad habit. Now Lala was so they were so into Lala that even though she traded, because you know they think everybody traded on Mel when they don't
Who talking about?
kiss Mel
Wait,
ass.
who was
So,
talking about now?
but
Now
Lala was
Muffin
the
talking about we
reason.
talking
Lala
now.
Anthony.
What? Muffin said we talking about kids. Ain't nobody said nothing negative about nobody's child.
Well, yeah,
Children
I
are
did
part of the
talk
damn.
about it.
Well, I ain't calling nobody. I didn't say nothing negative about nobody's child. But children are part of the story, babe.
I told the truth. The fuck?
You can't tell the story without talking about. I'm not talking negatively about anybody's children, but you can't tell the story without talking about
Bitch,
kids.
I
You just can't.
apologize. Don't make me keep going. I tell you that.
It's it's four children and a couple that she yeeted. That's just the facts.
Much as y'all done talked about Miles Morales, girl, if you don't kiss my ass, now you want to be the morale police, girl. Bitch, fuck you.
But I mean that's literally the facts though. You had four and then you threw a couple away. Is that a lie?
Right? How you
Just
mad
something
at
you
us
don't want
because we
talked
talk
about?
about her throwing the baby? She the one threw him away.
I
All
got
we
a
doing is
question for
talking
the
about it.
mufflers gang.
Oh, there you go. There you go. If you talking, we can't hear you. Kiana. Hello.
Tiana, you're not
Hmm.
muted.
Hello. Oh, it's my birthday time. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
I see. I'm not the only person to be happy when I catch it. Okay.
I do. Every time I see that child,
I
I
be
give me a
snapping
little.
pictures and everything.
I give me a
My
little.
kids too.
I give me a little 1 minute celebration. Happy
Mm-hmm.
birthday.
Cause see, I'm not alone.
And that's the thing. People kill me with that. He ain't even married. Ariana, who said she wanted to be married? Who said that that's what they want for themselves? Maybe they are just
Right.
fine in the
Who
way
said
that
they
their
ready?
relationship is running. Because truth be told, what people forget, marriage is a business. And maybe I don't want to go into business with you.
And maybe, hell yeah, I saw all the shit you put your wife through, bitch. And yeah, I'm not voluntarily setting myself up for that. Now you have to prove some other things to me. The fuck? Just because I fucked you when you was married don't mean I can't grow the fuck up. Shit.
And that
Don't
and
mean
that's
my
the thing too.
perspective on marriage can't change.
And I agree, Deshonda, were they on Stormy's Live this weekend? Because Lala was there, because Lala was at Essence.
Yeah.
So were
It
y'all
wasn't no
over there in
marriage.
support? Well,
Yeah,
hell, she
multi-millionaire. Why you ain't have a booth at down to the Essence? Where was your Seventh Avenue? Everything else told me, do you want to try? What happened to your goddamn booth? Multi-millionaire.
well, when was the? I mean, she can't go live on her website because I don't think she has the capacity to do so. So where she could go live and sell stuff,
IG.
but she can't do it like TikTok. She
She
could
ain't get
go live.
her
There's
product is
no
good.
well,
They was
there's no
gonna buy on the
marketplace.
spot.
There's no marketplace on IG. She can go live on IG, but there's no marketplace for her to run sales. Like how you gonna get people to buy unless you just go up there and encourage people to go on your website and buy things.
No,
That's
you
the
go
only way you could
there
do
and
it.
sell in person sales. Just like Stormy did. Stormy was on her live too, but she was telling the people that was there.
And that was
And
and
Milton
that
did the
and that's
same
true.
thing.
And that's
Cause she
true too,
multi-millionaire.
Mildred, because nobody thought nothing about talking about Stormy's child. Nobody thought nothing about talking about Empress's son. Nobody, and you know, it's funny, they all got boys. Nobody thought nothing about talking about Stormy, Empress, or Ariane's boys. All three of them have little boys. Hell, nobody thought nothing about talking about Destiny's son either, since we had his
Exactly.
children.
So fuck that. You keep walking on eggshells. Fuck y'all. I don't give a damn. I said it. The fuck.
They didn't have no issue with talking about people's children. I think it is utterly fucking ridiculous. And I think people love to play hopscotch here. The whole damn issue, the simple fact is, this woman owe that man money because she is not abiding by a court order that she agreed to. That's it, and that's all. And
Miles
he's going
Morales has
after
been
her
called
legally.
everything but a child of God and the child of Ariana and Martell. He's been called a demon. He's been called all of these things. Fuck y'all. If Baldhead bothers y'all that goddamn much, tell that bitch to do their hair. How about that?
Well, guess what? Congratulations are in order because Martell has his builder's license and Ariane is a nurse. Congratulations to both of them on pursuing their dreams and achieving them. Whoop whoop, keep going. How about it?
And for closing on that house with Disney. We get if Mel would have shit. Mel came up here. Mel won that fake ass award. I congratulated her. Goddamn it. Y'all talk
Congratulations
shit
on
about
your
it, but
on
I
your
still congratulated her.
no, congratulations on your apple cider vinegar award. We gonna congratulate you,
We
not for
congratulate
sure.
everybody. You know how many business ideas this lady has. That lady could actually be a multi millionaire by now.
Congratulations. The apple cider vinegar people have acknowledged you and we are acknowledging
You and
you for them
85 other people.
acknowledging you. We love that for you. And Knox is a very cute little boy. He is.
Baby Miles Morales, baby. Y'all wanted
He
to
is
talk
a
about
cutie
Miles
patootie.
Morales couldn't fucking talk and shit. The fuck I bet he could say apple juice.
Mm-mm, we're not doing that.
I bet he could say, hold up, shorty, hold up, bitch. Like that.
I just feel like it is
Remember
utterly
when they tried to
ridiculous.
act like they was fighting, like he was hurting her? Oh, y'all are ridiculous. Let's not talk about fucking with people kids. Wasn't y'all girl the same motherfucker that tried to put that motherfucking bad bone out about Martell and that lady daughter? Let's not talk about people kids, talk about people fucking kids. Y'all have done hour after hour after hour live just running fucking Ariane, her son and her daughter. That outfit she got on, Ariane had that on last year. What child has not wore some of their mama shit if they could fit it? And they thought it was cute. Come on now. Her daughter just happened to be the same size. And when did that become a goddamn problem? Like y'all have done the most egregious shit towards them kids. And they not even in the spot like that. Like that. We barely see Paris ass, but y'all find a way to talk about her though. When last time we seen our Spider-Man, Miles Morales? But y'all still find a way to. Y'all thought that shit was so funny Yeah, look at her. She gonna get him. But then when he buck back at her, oh my God, he's gonna hurt her. Oh my God, Martell shouldn't
Those
have
are
them
little
because they're
kids.
gonna get hurt. Shut the fuck up with y'all one braid roll head asses.
Yeah, they definitely did say that about her daughter. They said, oh, because her mama is a hoe, she gonna be a hoe. Why would you say that about a child?
Right. But y'all want to
And
be the morale
and at the
police.
time,
Fuck.
and this was a couple years back, at the time that little girl couldn't have been no more than 10 or 11. Like, why would you even put that on a young lady? It's always protect black women except her. Protect black
Right.
women except for her daughter. Like her daughter don't have nothing to do with
Nothing.
any adult decisions that are being made. And her mama ain't no damn hoe. Oh, her mama hoe, so her baby gonna be a hoe. Fuck y'all. That is dead ass wrong. But now
Well,
it's like, oh, you can't say nothing about no kid. That is dead ass wrong.
well, Ariane was a bomb asshole because not only did she have Martell money, she had mail money too. The fuck, you do your shit. The fuck, shut up. Y'all dumb that sound.
And I've heard people like, oh, maybe we need to contact the board of nursing for what? For what?
Right.
See,
That
this
girl
is
ain't even,
what
baby. Yeah,
I I hope
different.
and pray that it needs to get to a point where when people do false reporting for anything, these false reports, when you're calling the police on people, when you're calling and making false charges against people, there needs to be consequences for shit like this because it is ridiculous.
Or you lie about people calling things on you. Yeah, that should be a fucking thing too.
Baby, come on,
Can
honorary
y'all hear
degree.
me?
We
Yeah, now
can
we
now. Go
can.
ahead.
Cause y'all have
Girl,
fucking
I
lied
was
on us
gonna
so
say
we can
something
call
to
everybody on y'all.
Muffin Top, super
Go
scammer,
ahead.
but I
Go ahead.
see, I see that love. I was gonna say, why are you here? Like, you didn't even pay
It was
attention to
mail.
what the live was actually about. Like, you didn't pay attention to reading court documents. You didn't pay attention to none of that shit. They just come over here with their same little three talking points, and it's
No,
irritating.
no,
And
they paid
please, y'all don't
attention.
have to announce if y'all leaving. If y'all tired of us, don't come over here. Just go.
No,
Thank you for the little
they
banter
They
back
came
absolutely
in
and
with
paid
a
forth,
attention.
and
backup
They're
then
trying
just
tonight.
to
go.
redirect. They paid attention, but they're trying to redirect the attention. They knew exactly what we were talking about and why we were
And
talking
we're
about
gonna
it.
talk
But
about
And the one
because
thing
when
they
we
what they
should
start
don't
making
know,
too
have
much
more
sense, they
than.
got to redirect.
one thing they should know is they're
Hey
not gonna
y'all
steer
in
the
the chat.
conversation to
Hey.
where they wanted to go over here. Yeah, I don't even know why you tried.
I get so tired of them coming in here saying the same shit. They all say the same shit. Just because
With
you
the
went to
bad
somebody
spelling.
else's channel and they did not read the full court document does not mean that you are equipped to come over here and argue. You
And
got
the funny
half-ass
thing is,
information.
and
Go read the
on
court document
see,
for yourself.
The funny
I'm gonna
part is
tell
they
y'all
weren't they
something
even
that
say nothing
happens
about the
over
court
here though.
document. They were just making
No,
up shit.
right, but this I'm gonna tell you what happens over here that doesn't happen on many other people's channels. We don't block. That's why we be telling Tanya to calm her damn
It
trigger
take a
finger down
lot to
because she
block.
get annoyed.
It take a
We
lot to
don't
block.
block.
We'll
I
say
don't.
that.
I see Tanya be timing people out. I don't even time
Shauna
people
don't
out.
block.
We baby,
It
we
take a
can go
lot.
toe to toe, blow for blow.
Oh
I'm
yeah,
never gonna
Kiana will
put you
block your
out.
ass. Don't irritate her too
I
much.
don't block you because you can sit here with me
Yeah, I
because
will
we could
block
go
you.
back and forth
I
all night.
will.
I'll make you mad.
Baby.
We could do
I
this
will
all
ban
night. We
your
ain't going
ass
for
from the
shit.
channel.
Grind her
That's
gears
how
too
far
much.
I go.
She
Mm-mm.
don't even realize she did it. Yep. She gone.
No, I'll leave you. I'll
We be
leave
like,
you
where's
right
such and
here
such?
because
Oh, my bad. I blocked her. My bad.
because
I blacked
what I
out.
because what I've learned
Never
in
to
my
be heard
small
from
time
again.
of content creation, the reason why you don't block nobody is because this shit is engagement. This gets your video out more.
Hmm.
This gets you more onto the algorithm while you sit up here arguing back and forth. So I ain't blocking shit and I'm not timing shit out. That does better for
Some
Prosperity's
people need to be
video
blocked,
So
because
thank you
this
for
is
the
but it take a
engagement.
engagement.
lot.
No, this
Handle
is
these.
Yeah,
engagement.
thank you for
I
the
ain't
engagement, Muffin Top.
I ain't
We're gonna
blocking a
call you
fuck thing.
McStuffin.
And thank
I'ma
you for
keep
the
Ed
I'ma
comments
keep
that's
McMuffin,
gonna
the
doing
come
that.
super
after the
scammer.
video over.
Baby, we will go back and forth until I get tired. And then when I get tired, I'm just gonna shut the whole damn video down and then you can argue with yourself in the comments. That's how it works over
There
here
you
for
go.
me. I can't talk about other
Yeah,
people, but I appreciate the engagement because it helps
Baby.
the channel grow.
Shauna
So
loves
how
to
about it?
argue.
Oh, I like
And
to
it's
She
argue,
likes
funny.
to
And
baby.
it's
argue.
fun as
It's
shit.
a it's an art form for me. I like that
It's
kind
a
of shit.
sport for
Some of
Shauna.
y'all don't understand how a good argument is cleansing for your soul. You need a palate
Baby.
cleanser sometimes. You
Uh-huh.
gotta
And,
you gotta
and add a
cuss a
couple of curse
motherfucker out.
words in it. Yep. Ooh,
Yes,
baby.
it is a palate cleanser when you cuss somebody out. Sometimes
Like
you
a
just got
good
to get
piece
that
of
up off
shit.
you. Yeah, you got to get that up off you sometimes. I love me a good shout out to Deshaun, a little piece of cussing.
baby.
Sometimes you got to give somebody a good little piece of cussing.
Or a good old naked head.
Yeah, sometimes you have to do it, and it makes me feel better. I can take out all my frustrations on these strangers because y'all are, y'all ain't got the sense God gave a billy goat, and then I can go on back to my life. It's beautiful.
Thank you,
Baby,
Nicole.
Nicole said muffin
Thank you,
go
We
up all
Nicole.
appreciate you.
We
motherfucking
enjoyed your
trees,
child,
baby. Thank you, Nicole.
baby. Nicole, now you drive safely out here going to pick up the children from work,
She
Okay.
said muffin
Nicole
go
baby.
said,
her
fuck
ass,
this.
baby.
Wait a minute, Muffin. I got something to say. Hold
Wait,
on
You
a
know
minute.
what?
I didn't. I just went back up and read her other comment. I knew she was hooked on the curve on Prosperity Show live when she left court. Girl, not Betty Granoot.
You know how many
Nicole,
people
go
y'all
sit.
got calling Mel Granule?
Baby, I need Nicole to go sit in the corner until she go pick her daughter up.
Get in
You
the
go sit in the
closet.
corner.
That's Mel's new
You
name.
go sit
Granule,
you
what's
go sit in the
Granule?
corner
What's
until you pick your
Granule?
baby up.
Baby, Tony told that lady, I
You
don't
gotta
like
drive in a
you,
slow lane. You in trouble.
baby. Miss France fucking crying,
Oh.
goddamn Tony, baby. Tony said, I don't like you.
Baby, Tanya be running people off. Like that's not how this works. You need the people because you need the engagement. You don't run nobody off. Let them
Tony said,
simmer.
Sounded like
I don't
fuck it
like
and fuck you.
you. You little stupid ball bitch. I don't
Shonda,
like
we can't be
you.
calling people names. We just cannot be calling people names. Oh my God.
Who I
The
did I
way
call
I was
somebody a
yelling,
name?
bitch.
I
People
was
was
sitting there
calling her,
like,
I
did I
think the
call
people in the
somebody a
chat
name?
called her a name.
Oh, because I was sitting up here really like I ain't calling nobody no damn name. Because I know when I do, like
I
when I
think
do, it's
France or somebody called her a
Yeah, I didn't
name.
call nobody no name. And
oh, I know
I
I didn't
called
call
Or,
that
you
lady
a
no
or
name.
name.
I don't think it was you calling her a name per se. I think it was calling male names.
Oh, because I'm like,
Baby,
I
Male,
ain't called that
you
lady
know.
no name.
you a couple of
Because if
bitches.
I got good names. I ain't called that lady no name.
Yeah, Mel's the new side chick. Her new name is Carrot Raisin Salad. CRS for
Yeah.
short.
She gonna be a
Hey,
bad
No,
bitch.
Carrot
Don't give a
Raisin
fuck
no,
Salad.
what you say.
Her name is Succotash.
Come on,
Hot
succotash.
chocolate,
Just give me
chocolate.
sucking a tad
You,
bit of
you,
something.
you are Succotash.
In
That
the
is your
long black
since you gon'
limousine.
since you gonna be a side dish. You are Succotash.
Tanya said I
Since y'all
called
want
her a hoe.
y'all want to call that lady,
I
y'all want
was
to
a
call
hot.
Ariane Cole. Y'all want to call Ariane Coleslaw. Well, then Mel is now Succotash.
It's yeah,
There you
yeah,
go.
that's yeah. Make her say,
So she is Succotash,
succotash.
aka Granules, aka
Succotash,
Stick
succotash.
Sit Two.
Goulash. That bitch is goulash.
AKA Baldless Wonder, AKA
AKA
reverse
my
fucking
edges.
what is she a reverse Nazi? Skinhead. Reverse
She said her
skinhead.
edges.
Well no, that's
They
her
won't
mama.
grow.
That's her
They won't
mama. That's her
grow. Her
mama.
edges.
The edgeless wonder girl.
Baby,
With a yarmulke.
I ain't never gonna let go of Sit Two.
You ain't.
Baby, I ain't. I ain't. Because the thing is, and y'all know, this is the thing that runs me low with that lady. The fact the fact that she changes her voice, the fact that she changes an
Girl.
accent, like sometimes she want to sound hood, then sometimes she wants to
Mm-hmm.
sound
Girl.
proper. Sometimes that voice, that pitch be high as
And they
shit. She be
all
in the
bad.
rafters. Then other
Girl.
times she want to make her voice low. Like, who are you?
And they all
Girl.
are horrible to hear.
Baby, she be changing her
Girl.
voice. She be changing her mind. She be changing her outfit. She just be changing.
She need to
She don't know
change
who
them
she is.
wigs.
Now
Shit.
she checking everything but
She
that wig out.
right. He on it, babe. We see
Everything.
each other. That's that water sign shit. Yup. Cause bitch,
Wait,
that
now
motherfucker.
Deshonda
She
says
used to
she called
change her
people
wig.
empty-headed dummies.
She stopped. Not an empty-headed dummy. Bitch.
Baby,
Damn.
she said empty-head. Well, you know she called her
Come on,
Goldilocks, but now
Baldy
she calling her
Locks.
an
Come on.
empty-headed dummy.
Baby, not naked, not in, now not the
Come on.
naked head, bitch, not the motherfucking empty
Empty
head.
headed
God damn.
dummy.
Baby, she said basically, Deshaunda just said y'all are pre-diculous, ridiculous, and post-diculous, bitch. That's what she just said.
When
The
you was
thing,
reading it, I got a question. Did I
And you
hear
need to
you
go get a
say
piece
that
of diculous.
hmm,
they said that Tank has 15 disciplinary actions
And
at
Keanu,
school?
that's
yes, at
ever
school, yes.
since he got back into his mama custody more. with more time with his mom. When it was
That's a lot in a
7 week
short period
old,
of time.
right?
There are 15
And it ain't been that
disciplinary
long.
issues, and Martell is trying to figure out why and what we're going to do about it. Because at 15 disciplinary issues, that should be concerning to the mother who is supposed to be the greatest mom on earth. You don't have concerns about your
That's
child
typically
behavior?
an expulsion.
Right, nigga,
Right.
he's
They
not
don't
gonna be able to
normally
go to
let you
school
get
in a
that many.
minute.
Normally you get like 4 and then you out of there.
Right. Don't
Baby,
they
with
got
nine,
What
truancy
is
laws
I
up
think
in
Succotash
with
school?
doing to keep
nine, the funny thing is
What is
with
Succotash
nine,
doing to keep her son in school?
because
Huh?
with nine of them, I'm trying to figure out how you still in the district. Child, they kick you out the whole damn district out
Girl,
here.
Especially when you're not supposed to be in
sure
that
will.
district.
Yeah, they kick your ass out the whole district. You can't be around nothing out here.
California
Yeah,
don't be
they
playing
said
that shit. If you
Yeah,
live
Cali don't
like
play that
half of
shit.
like, if you live on the across the street from the
baby, you'll
line,
get thrown out real
you
quick.
cannot go. Mm-mm.
They be
You
waiting
know,
for a
yo,
reason to kick your ass
baby,
out
they,
when you out of your
You be
jurisdiction,
like, but
baby.
I
They
live
be
across the
waiting for you
street.
to
It's
do
just
something.
like no. Mm-mm. They will
baby,
pull out a map for your ass.
they will kick your child out
Yeah,
and keep it
show you the
moving.
zoning and everything.
I just
But
really
what do you
feel
say to your child after 15 damn discipline? What do you say to his teacher? What do you say when you go to the school to
It
like
depends
actually
on the reason
raise him?
why. Like, is he getting teased? Are people talking about his
And that's
mama
her
that's
fault.
coming back to him? Are they talking about his daddy? Are they talking about his little brother? You know, like, are they talking about how his
yeah.
mama ain't got no hair? You know, it could be a lot of stuff.
Well, see, but
It could
I
be a,
said that I
And
think that
guess who
that
gave
could
them
be
the
a
ammo?
thing is that the children, because these children are old enough that you can have, oh, my mama says she watch your mama on TV and your mama, my mama don't like your mama. Or my
We've been
mama
saying
said
that
your
for how
daddy a
long?
cheater. My mama said your
right.
daddy a hoe. My mama said that your daddy
Plus,
ain't shit. Well, your
it's so
daddy
many
cheated on your mama.
local,
Like,
it's so many local rumors as well that we don't talk about
Exactly.
on social media that we know about. We know
And
about a
we've
lot
been
of
saying this
local
shit for how long?
rumors that are really like not okay, and it is about some of the kids, and it's not okay. It's not okay to be a rumor because you can really get teased for that at school, and
And
yeah.
then your mama told me she got a bodyguard that can't turn to the left and shit. And the kid's like, how he your mama bodyguard? He can't be her
To the
bodyguard
left,
because
to
his
the left.
to the
neck don't
left, to
even
the
work.
left. Oh, come on, come on, come
Bitch,
on.
you better be able to turn
Succotash,
your ass around to the
baby.
left.
Succotash,
And
take them
and
to.
when they were sitting
Okay,
there
now,
talking
no,
to
no.
Hill
I got a
Harper,
question. I got my hand up. I got my hand up because I got a question. Now, how does Slackjaw feel about Hill Harper?
that's what I said.
Mm.
That's the question.
Mm.
If Mister No Situational Awareness, aka that lady husband, aka
Slack
that
jaw.
man that was sleep on the sofa with his unholstered weapon sitting on the table
Mm.
with his Glock, as the baby say. Now, how he feel
How
about her
you
running
say it?
around with damn Hill Harper? She said Glock. She said that's your boy, that mama, that your
He
boyfriend with him Glock.
he not afraid. He don't fear
AKA
that
Mr.
because
Can't turn to the left shit.
he know Mel got a type,
AKA
and
Mr.
Hill
Ain't
Harper
never around whenever something happened and Mel actually needed that. He ain't never nowhere to be found.
Hill
Right.
Harper ain't
Ooh,
I
I
no
was
wouldn't.
type all the way. He still got too much
well
hair on his
where
head, so
no,
Jason feel like he still got he ain't in there
where
yet.
was the man? Where was no situational awareness when she was over there snatching on Martell?
Hmm.
Where was he at? Because ain't he supposed to be
Hmm.
securing
Oh,
the
he
perimeter?
was she was on his left
Was
side.
that a
He didn't
weekend
know.
day?
She was on the
Oh,
swinging it on the
it's only
left.
when
Oh,
it's
he
only when
God,
it's
didn't
the
even know.
hey.
long weekend,
Until he
like she
turned all the
say.
way around and then he was like,
It's
"Oh
gonna
shit,
be
my
a
bad, girl. I didn't know you was in
long,
danger."
good weekend. Hmm.
Shada is never going to forget that.
Hell no. She purposefully made a video showing that man without his wedding ring on and put
He had a
Oh,
it's
long
gonna be
hilarious
a
weekend.
long weekend. First of all, why the hell was he here
what
all
was
the
she
way in
drinking
LA?
or eating?
You was
She
sitting,
was eating
oh,
something for
baby,
her
they said,
libido, right?
oh yeah, and then she went to a sex shop and she was talking about she needed something for her libido. Baby, what you libidoing? Why you hey, I thought you had international cooch. Why your libido broke?
Come
Yeah,
on,
baby, you in
international.
international waters, bitch.
And now you don't want to have international cooch, you want to have Atlanta cooch.
Exactly, Kia. Exactly. That's why.
But
But
I ain't
they
gonna hold you.
probably
Ain't
continue.
nothing wrong with a little piece of Atlanta. That ain't had nothing to do with y'all. Never mind. I'm sorry. Flashback. I'm good. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. That ain't had nothing to do with y'all. I'm sorry.
Took me a minute to
E-
catch that.
Erase, erase, erase. Delete, delete, delete.
I caught it.
Atlanta is one of those places
Ah,
like Vegas, it's like what happened there stays there.
delete,
You
delete,
just talk about a
delete.
little bit. But yeah.
Baby, the way I was told this morning that I need to look for some flights and send out some itineraries.
Come on.
Mm-hmm.
Come on.
Lemon
Not
granules.
you.
Mm-hmm.
Not you.
Mm-hmm.
Come on, Lemon Granule. Not
Granules.
you, the one that don't
Mm-hmm.
nobody like.
Yeah.
You can't get a man, girl. Come
Yeah.
on. With your pick
Yeah.
me ass. Come on.
But the
Oh
one that don't
damn,
nobody
Kia! I
wait,
didn't know she
the one that
still
don't
had to
nobody
get
like is
had
I'm
to do
fat,
it the
huh?
whole year with Carlos before she be out of her contract.
Wait, what happened?
Mm.
Kia says the dumb part is Mel is still in a contract with Carlos. She can't join
Oh,
another show till she does another year. If I was her, I'd pay
mm.
to play nice, do my year, get my money, then be free.
Child,
She can't.
And let you
but you
know, Kia be
but you
knowing the shit.
also know, Kia,
Kia
that
be knowing all the things.
she has kind of run her name into the ground. You cannot
Yeah.
talk about the gay men and call them out their name and say negative, disparaging things, and you can't attack the king, who is a large, prominent player in the reality TV world, period. But
And still
especially
your
where you
boss.
trying to go. You're trying to go to Atlanta.
Especially in
Who
Atlanta.
you think? Who you think run that shit? Who you think run it?
Hmm.
The people that can move something or that can do something are people you have already pissed off, are people that do not like you. How you gonna fix it? Because see, when you start talking about the gay men,
Well.
those, honey, those are your stylists. Those are
Mhm.
your clothing stylists. Those are your hairstylists.
Well,
Hell,
they need
those
to
are
be
the
fired.
fucking producers to the shows.
Well,
What
because
you
you
think
need
he
to
about to
offend them
do?
because they goddamn sure offends us with half of this shit they be putting on your goddamn head and putting
And
on your face.
the truth about the truth about the gay men, when they stand in solidarity, baby, that is an impenetrable wall.
Baby,
It
that's
ain't
like the
nothing you could do.
Muslims, bitch. That is that baby
Because when
shit.
they
Mark
It
Lester
sure
and
with
they
his
is.
finger
tell,
in the air.
and the thing is, they tell people, it's like, oh, we fool. They'll have a conference call about your ass. Hey, do we like her? No, we don't like her. You don't like her.
Mm.
You don't like, and they don't even care why somebody don't like you. Oh, he don't like you. We don't
Uh-uh.
like you. Bye.
And
Bye.
do a
He
panel
said
about
no.
your ass.
Oh, it's fuck that bitch. Oh, okay. Fuck that bitch.
Right. Collectively and individually. Oh, we don't like her, right? Oh, okay. I was just checking. Don't worry about it. We don't
They will
touch. We
block
don't
you and
know.
ask questions later.
Right, no matter why. He said he don't fuck with her.
Blackball
He don't
your
fuck
ass,
with her.
and it's just, oh,
And
okay.
that's the thing that I don't think she ever understood. See, when you it's one thing for you to be like, oh, I got all these women behind me. That's true. But it stopped translating into money. You need the money. And to be honest with you, the largest consumers of culture, period, happen to be the gay men.
And
They
she
kind
done
of run
fucking
shit. It just is what it is.
Why you think she's
she,
still wearing that same one ass wig? Shit. They
she
want
done
her
lost a
buster.
lot
Baby, she done
of
cut that
faith in that
wig
community.
32
That
times.
and that's why Jay was out
She
here
done
like playing because baby
recycled and upcycled.
he was picking up
Baby,
her
that
leftovers
bitch
trying to
is a
get him some dangling.
that bitch is a 27 piece without needing to be a 27 piece.
Girl,
Cause you done
it's
Well,
cut
she
that
must be
horrible. It
wig
is
up.
13 of
like
those pieces at this point.
And I agree,
that shit
Tanya.
is about to need a keratin
I think
treatment.
that
Shit.
Martell, I
That shit
think
was
that
like some
Martell
thin
all this
blind.
time has been just gathering evidence. Every time something happened, he like, yep, put that
Yep.
over there. Yep, put that over there. Give me some pictures. Give me some evidence. Let me
Throw
hold
this in
that.
my
Let me
memory
hold that.
bank.
Let me hold that. And then baby, and then he said, especially after that last little bout of her trying to get a protective order, like you still own that?
And then
Like, girl.
Ariana added her two
Girl.
cents. Yep. Don't forget this, bitch. Don't forget that. Mm-hmm.
Oh, and that was funny to me too. Yeah, Ariane writing all this stuff. So what if that's her man? Who don't
Okay.
support their man? Who don't support their man? If baby, if my
Didn't y'all
man
say
got
Mel
a
was writing his stuff?
guess what? If my man got a lemonade stand, guess who the fuck selling lemonade?
Right.
Like
Hmm.
I don't get
Especially
it,
when
Hmm.
that money coming in my house.
baby. If my man out here, he a mechanic, bitch. I'm advertising talking about how he do the best oil changes. What the fuck is wrong with you, hoes?
Right.
Right. It's called support. It's
Right.
called support.
And I'm always gonna support mine.
And that's what
Always.
Martell did with Mel.
And y'all have to understand, Ariana is going through shit with Martell. Like, people are on all y'all
Wait,
crazy ass sycophant, cultist
remember,
motherfucking fans of
y'all
hers
remember
is
this.
trying to
Let's
fuck her over too.
let's quote Markel real quick. Didn't Martell say she don't have a friend and she can't keep no friends? And haven't we noticed that
Mm,
everybody that has been attached to her in one way or another has completely
mm,
fallen off? Because remember when she was on that live, and I think her friend's name was Brittany, Brianna,
Mm-hmm.
I'm not sure. When
mhm,
she had that young lady up there with her, I was so tickled because she was like, "Oh yeah, your millimeters is doing too much, baby." The way Mel wanted to tell her to shut the fuck up because this is how I make my money.
Baby,
The
Mel
way
was
she was
scared of shit.
tapping
Mel said, low
dancing,
key, I'm scared of the millimeter. They know
she
you my best friend and they
right.
still going at you.
And then what was so funny? This is how we know that that Mel Sugar stop trying to be hood because you're not. When the girl was like, "Yeah, you need to put a Pooh Shiesty mask on," she was like, "Huh? What does that mean?" Girl, never mind. Clock out. Go on and
Y'all,
clock out
she
for
said,
me.
I think she made that up, y'all.
Right. She said she think they made it up. Baby, do you know now what a Pooh Shiesty mask is? Ask your son, because he probably got one in his bag. Ask your son.
Yeah, Lord
He
Jesus.
probably got one. Yeah,
exactly. Y'all
ask
look at
him.
what she is saying. She burned all her bridges. Where are they now? Where
Everybody.
are they now?
Everybody. When Martell said that, they was like, he just being mean. He said, that girl ain't got no goddamn, you ain't got no job, Tommy.
I know I can't stand this bitch, but Wanda said the same fucking thing.
Mm,
You ain't got
Wanda
no
let us know she
goddamn
ain't got
friend.
no friends either.
Like,
oh
and the
my
thing is,
goodness.
you notice on the show, we have everybody has brought somebody on, whether it be a friend, a family member, someone. The only person she has ever brought on that show
Richard
was her
Simmons
mama.
is her friend.
No, she brought her
Richard
mama, her
Simmons and
sister
Lil
for that one
Jordan from
episode, and Martin.
Steve Harvey,
Baby, the Cloud Bob
aka
lady,
Clavicle.
Cloud Bob.
Yes, that's her friend.
Cloud was Clavicle wasn't
Come
on the
on,
show, was he?
Clavicle. No, that wasn't. I don't think either one
Didn't
of them
like,
was on the show. Was Clavicle on the
yeah,
show?
I don't think Cloud Bob was on
I
the
don't
show,
know,
and I
but
don't
that's her
think Clavicle
friend.
was
That's
either.
her friend in real life. They go everywhere with her. That's her crew. That's
So
her
Her
A1
workers.
from day
Her
one.
workers and her children are
here's
her
the thing.
friends.
It ain't nothing wrong with you hanging out with a little piece of old lady, but you ain't got nobody your age. Like you out here
Shit, who
kicking it
the
with
fuck wanna fuck
But
with
them
her?
videos aren't okay. Them
the
videos are
elderly
not
and the
okay.
youth.
Mel is
And I think you
definitely
are
the person
exploiting
that she wants
the
you to be doing
disabled.
good, but you cannot do better than Mel if you her
Oh,
friend.
no, and I don't even think
You
Mel wants her
cannot.
friends to be doing good. She wants everybody to be under her. She doesn't want, it's no iron sharpens iron when it comes to her. She doesn't want
No.
all her girls to be standing next to her and we all in line and
Better
everybody
be behind
bossing it
her.
up. Yeah,
Yeah,
she
that's
don't
the
want to run
vibe
with a
she
bunch of
gets off.
bosses. Now she can't run
Mimi.
with a bunch of bosses.
She said, fall in line, bitch. I am the line leader.
Because remember when she was talking to Tisha, when Tisha really was looking up to her and trying to get information from her, she basically talked to her
Mhm.
like she was three, like she was stupid.
That's how she talk to a lot of people.
You know, she said, "Give me the blueprint." That bitch said, "Sit, sit, two."
You know what?
You know what?
You sit in the closet right now.
Ah, I'm sorry.
Oh my goodness.
You know,
Oh
I ain't
my
gonna let that go.
Yeah, you
Every
had to
time you
do
do
it.
that.
And she did too.
Baby, that shit
The sad
tickles.
part
When
is
that say
Shauna
it
needed to do
tickles,
it too.
oh, it tickles me. She say, "Sit, sit, two."
After talk about Wanda and fucking Tisha, you out here can't say shit.
Okay, okay.
She was thugged out. She was ready. She about that
Oh
life.
God,
She
baby.
carry
See,
on would
when
never.
I'm outside of the club
She
and the
said,
stick
I
on the
already ain't got no hair, bitch. I'm ready.
pole.
I stay ready. You ain't even gotta pull my shit out. I pulled it out for you, bitch. Come on.
So I go to my heavy yeah, Chevy
Nah,
and pump
my
the
mama ain't never
Oh,
produced nothing
trunk.
for my ass.
hey,
I told the
hey.
motherfuckers, I ain't never scared. I
Mm,
ain't never
mm, mm,
Let me tell you
mm.
something. Marshall Bill here though.
baby, come on. Please don't start
Right.
this child for she starts saying, shall never.
She paying for her man and her employee. She paying for her man and she paying for her friends.
Yeah,
Hey,
she
guess
pay
who's
for
on
everything.
wait, guess who's on my TV right now? The tennis
Oh
star that
Lord.
Martell took his daughters to meet. Ah, wasn't that
Girl.
dope? Wasn't that dope?
That was
He
hella
took
dope.
both of
She was so
his
surprised. You could
girls
see it all in the picture. She was like,
his
oh,
girls that play tennis got to meet the Serena. And didn't they
the.
meet Venus as well?
I think
Didn't they meet
I
both
don't
of
know,
them? I
but
think
shit.
I want to say I know they met Serena for sure, but I think they
Yeah.
were able to meet
'Cause
both
when
of
she
them,
met
I
her, took a
believe.
picture with her, she was just looking like, oh my God, like Dad, you
And he took
win.
them to meet
That's what she
JoJo.
was looking like.
Yeah. I
She is
believe I don't
never going to forget that ever. She is going to
yeah.
remember that moment forever.
And
She's
Don't
going to be
remember,
so
he
quote me,
had
happy
to
but I
yesterday
postpone
believe
it
that.
he
because
did both.
they were supposed to go during the time when she had him away from his kids for 74 damn days.
Hmm.
74
And
damn
he
day.
did that and he
That's
posted them. And you know what he did that for? He didn't do that trying to make any money off of them. He did that just posting
because
a
that's what his
cool
kids wanted for
moment
their birthday.
with his children. He posted
Yeah.
a dope ass
That was
moment
a
with his
dad
kids.
posting his
He didn't
daughter,
he didn't do that trying to
showing
get
what
some
he
money
did.
off the
I
shit.
did that for my daughter to make her happy.
Baby, he said, what did I do? That. Oh, okay.
Right, because her and the baby,
And he did
her and
that.
boss baby so close, their birthday so close. He did the birthday gift for both of them.
He
And that
did
was
what?
that
That.
was the
Yes,
coolest
he did.
thing. Looking at the happiness on their faces, the excitement on their
Girl.
faces. This is what you do it for. Anybody that's a fucking parent or a godparent or auntie or whatever,
This
anybody
what
that
I
has a
do it
love for a
for.
child, that's what you do shit for. You want to see that look on a child's face.
Yeah.
Yeah, because she talking about they love Mr. Hill Hopper. Girl, Mariah was sitting there looking like I thought I was going to my daddy's house.
But
Who
the
the fuck?
thing is,
Why am I
let's
here?
be
Cause I'm like, who
okay.
the fuck is Hill Harper? Who is this old man
No,
mama? That's what
Right,
she
and
was
what the
looking
fuck
let's
is
like.
he
just keep
talking
it.
about?
Let's keep it a bean. These are kids. Hill Harper looked like baby. He looked like he could board a paint off a fucking wall.
He looked like
Like
Mr. Magoo, the black person.
exactly. And
But
Tank,
he
baby
looks
Tank was soaking
boring.
it up. And Mariah was like, I want to be my daddy.
But we're sitting here listening to him. Like, I don't want to talk to him about quantum physics. I don't give a fuck about that. They're kids.
Mm-mm.
These are children. They don't give a shit about, like,
Mm-mm.
Hill Harper is an intellectual. Okay, maybe you as an
Mm-mm.
adult can enjoy a conversation with him, but I am so sorry. He don't look like he fun at all. Let's just keep it a bean. It looked
No.
like it's way more fun in Martell and Ariane house than it would ever be in Mel's house.
Yeah, he don't look like he ever may have fun in his life.
Because also, I don't want to be over here doing TikTok dances poorly. Maybe I just want to sit and play
Mm.
games with my dad. Maybe I want to play Uno.
No.
Maybe I want to play Monopoly. Like, maybe that's what I want to do. I don't want to be up here doing these silly ass dances and we all doing it wrong.
And I don't want to be sitting here babysitting these goddamn two little girls all damn day because you want to be downstairs in the cauldron room or upstairs with the door closed with the bodyguard. I don't got time for this
Come
shit. I
on
want to go
in
to
the
my daddy house. I get
cauldron
to be a
room.
kid at my daddy house.
But that's the thing. Hill Harper
Holly,
is an
go away.
intellectual.
Go the fuck away. Holy
Huh.
ambassador, Holly Raleigh, Holly Block, Holly Rock, whatever the fuck your name
Rock,
is.
rock,
Go
Harley
the
rock.
fuck
Everybody
away.
want to Harley rock. Sing.
Go away. That way we cannot exist to you if
Press
you
ready to
just
go to hell. What
Look,
did
hit
you
the
see that I
X.
didn't
we
see?
got a song for everything, bitch. Don't come over here with the
It
bullshit.
says this channel should be shut down. Find something positive to talk about because I'm pretty sure Mel or Martell doesn't care about your opinion. Black women
And
hate
you know what's funny about
should
that?
no longer be tolerated.
I don't give a fuck about yours. How about
But
that?
I
Guess
got a
what?
question. Do y'all motherfucking bitches know that this is fucking YouTube and we open to talk about whoever the fuck we want to talk about as a public fucking figure? Like, it's okay if we say something about uh Shonda Rhimes. It's okay if we say something about Nene Leaks. It's okay if we say something about Phaedra. But oh my God, let's not talk about Queen fucking Mel. Fuck Mel. Fuck
Even though she make it
Mel.
so
Fuck
easy to do.
Mel. Fuck
Okay,
Mel. This
Shondaland.
is
We love a little
YouTube
piece of
and
Shondaland.
YouTube is a fucking business. YouTube is a business. We can talk about whoever the fuck we are. We asking permission to talk about anybody else? Y'all motherfucking bitches get on my nerves. Go away. If you don't like it, don't
Guess
come
what?
over here. This
But
ain't
here's
your
the
Apologize.
thing.
hour. When we
She
talk about
gets
something you like, come back. Otherwise, if you don't
what
like it, period, don't never come back. Bye, bitch.
Go away from
here's the
us with
beautiful
this
thing about
apology.
all of this though. The beautiful thing about all of this is maybe just maybe this will redirect somebody over there to go buy products they don't need at prices they really can't afford. But it is what it is.
Right. Go
Maybe
help her
just
pay that
maybe. Yeah,
$10,323.50. Shit.
yeah,
Show her
she got a
how
bill.
upset you really are with us. Go
She
spend
got
that
a
money.
ticket.
Spend that
Yeah,
shit. Spend that shit.
she
Y'all
got a
help her
ticket.
make
You
that
might
shit
want to
by the
help her.
morning. Shit. Because it's for the kids. It's not for Martell. It's for the kids. So go help them little chicken nugget, chicken feet, little kid.
Well,
Ooh, I almost said
well, you
something.
might want to go to
Little
the
kid.
video if you think it's for
Come
the
on,
kids,
chicken
because
feet.
they
The
said it's
chicken
not
feet
for
will
kids.
forever
It's
tickle
for her
me.
and Mama Van.
Ooh, I got real close, y'all. Real, real close.
Yeah, watch your mouth. Watch your mouth.
I tried to
You,
talk
but
more
you know it's funny. People will
Ooh.
come. It's funny how somebody will come and dictate. Oh, y'all need to stop. Y'all need to stop. But then when she's over there talking greasy and crazy, people are like, I know, girl. He a bitch ass nigga. He a bitch.
But
He a
she
this.
come
You
out and
don't know
say
him.
prosperity names. She'll talk
about
about
to
you,
say,
Shauna.
but she could
She
talk about
names
people in their
people.
stories.
And
But
y'all gonna
here's my
sit y'all
thing.
ass over there for 99.99 and $329 to go listen to them seven ass videos that she named hella people and then sit up there pretend like she's still on the show. Like she ain't
Baby,
been on the
but
show for a while. Bitch, go somewhere else.
you pay 129.99 per month to listen to her talk about people that she don't like and that don't like her and to
Talk
tell
Mhm.
you
about her
stuff that
ex-husband
happened.
still
But
wanting her.
but you're talking about shit that happened in
Half
2021,
over half a
2022.
decade they've been divorced.
You're talking
They
about
have been
stuff that
divorced
happened in
for a
2021, 2022, and
fucking
we're in 2026, and you
decade.
have not been on our TV screens in a long time. We don't
We
care
are in
anymore.
2026 and a half. Can we just say that? It's
Come on,
we
and a
are in a
half.
it's about to be
Come on.
2027.
If
2026 and a
if she
half.
wouldn't have
Come
put us
on.
in the group chat, we wouldn't have been talking about it. 'Cause we wasn't nobody was thinking about her. If she didn't need fucking attention, we would have never been talking about her. Fuck her and you. How about that?
But the thing about it is, coming over here trying to ride for her is not going to change the opinion of anybody over here. So you can save it.
Right.
You'll stress, you'll stress yourself out before you stress us out. I promise you.
Highly
I
And we gonna
promise you
stress you
that.
out while you
Highly
trying to stress us
ambassador
out. We gonna
gold.
stress you out, and then you gonna stress
Holly
yourself
Rob,
out.
Holly
Right,
Robinson
Kia.
Pete,
Like
whoever
they
you
don't
are,
even
go away.
know. They don't even know who the hell Hill Harper is. Like he's not even on their radar. Like
Right.
children are not concerned about intellectuals. This man has a PhD and he works in politics. These kids do not care.
Child,
Mhm.
I
They
can't find
do
her.
not care.
And the acting ain't shit that they would have watched. So yeah.
Right. Right. Everything that he's been in, them kids will be like, what? And what was that?
Right.
And
It's
was it
not kid
funny?
appropriate.
Right. They're gonna be like, well, was it funny? No. Nobody wants to see this
Can we watch it?
man,
No.
this
And they
older
really don't
gentleman
care
in
about his
old shows.
political campaign. They damn sure don't care about
Right.
that.
No, she definitely talks about Martell consistently.
What
He's
else can she
always
talk
out her
about?
mind.
She can't come out
Girl,
and
please.
actually talk about how much she like Jason and how good they doing because that man is
Come on,
married. That's
Shauna
somebody's
Coco.
husband.
They are like
Yeah.
it, this is sick. It's silly and sickening at this point.
The fact
Seriously.
that y'all
Oh,
keep putting her under
hold
the
on.
scrutiny
Don't, don't.
should help y'all understand this shit. Male, who have the mellometers hurt? You. Wow. Why are we dragging you? Because of the mellometers. Because, bitch, yeah, I told you
She got a
earlier in the
bad case of the
story.
big
Bitch,
head.
I'm on your neck. Fuck you.
She got a real bad case of the big head
Baby, the big
because
head with no
baby,
edges
she don't know how to stop. She don't know when to stop.
and a
She
protruding
don't
neck.
know how. That neck, I want her to get her thyroid checked because it is
When
just
your
getting
neck look like
wider and
a
it's
fucking
thick.
turtleneck, your
It
neck
looked
Right.
look
like
like it's a turtleneck. It look like part of a sweater,
her
girl.
neck looked
Take
like
off
Kamora
that
Lee Simmons'
turtleneck.
neck.
Yeah, ring around the baby. Around the rose bush,
No,
rose bush.
no,
She got
no,
them right
no,
around her
no,
neck.
no, no.
She got
That
the
bitch look like
ring
she got
around
ring around
her
the collar
road
and shit.
neck, road neck, road neck. Bitch got the
Mm-mm.
motherfucking
It's
circles of
just so
Saturn.
bloated looking. Her face be bloated as hell too.
Baby,
And then she put
when
on
you
that
can lose a nose,
upcycled wig. That's,
when you can lose a nose on camera,
no,
baby.
Well,
girl.
here's the thing about all of the things, ma'am. You might want to focus because I know that you're listening, or some of your minions are. Your little tree frogs is around here floating around. I think it's
Hey,
time
Tree
for you
Frog.
to truly focus on your business. And you need to find a way to put a positive spin on your shit. Because sitting up here being negative is not working. That whole everybody needs to hate Martell just because I hate Martell. Remember when you did it before? Hate him, love him, hate him, hate him, love him. The shit ain't working no more. Find
Martell
something
said,
else.
"Hate
She
on
needs to find a way
me,
to expand
haters."
her business and get more customers because keeping it limited to the millimeters when they jump and ship left and right and
Right.
her 3,500 and dwindle down to 350, it's just not gonna do what it needs to do. That's why she throwing
Baby,
people in court. That's why
let's
she
tell the
ain't paying
people.
her half. That's why
The
she ain't in
grift is
other trips. That's
gone
why we don't keep
away.
seeing her on the flight. Because we used to see her always
Mhm.
on the flight. Every month she was out of the country. When was the last time
After
she was on the
catching that
country?
Showing men's
flight,
shoes and arms and shit.
I just want to have a good night. I mean, that is the whole
Come on,
thing,
shoes and
Talking about
is
all.
that
where's Waldo and
you
shit.
have to get new
Head,
people,
shoulders, knees,
new
toes.
faces.
I'm gonna
You
say
need new faces on your
Yeah, the
products.
grift is done,
And
girl.
but
Move it.
but you know what
Try
she
to
doesn't do?
reinvent
And once
yourself.
again, I have given your ass plenty of good business advice. Here's a little bit more for you. Let me tell you what to do. Let me tell you how to fix it.
mm-hmm.
Even though you don't have a whole lot of confidence in your products, I know you don't because I've seen how you talk about them. But what you should do, you should make PR boxes. And you need to take those PR
Mm-hmm.
boxes and you need to send them to content creators. Here's your problem
Mm-hmm.
though. You are going to have to take said criticism because some
Nope.
people are not going to like your stuff, but you need to
That's where your
gather up
idea go
all
bad. She
your
can't do it.
all your best stuff, whatever your best shit is. You need to make a
She
PR
was with
box
you to that.
and you need to send them to different people. You need to find people that have large followings, and the fragrance
Put
girlies,
a
pick you
message in the
somebody
bottle,
out that
baby.
sector,
Send for
the
me.
She
girl
said,
that
never
sells the
gonna get it,
clothes.
never gonna
Get
get
in
it.
there. You send them out, and it ain't got to be a whole lot of people, but if you send at least 5 people
Mm-mm.
and you get them to
Mm-hmm.
honestly give you a solid review. Don't be trying to get in on this
That
shit.
ain't on your
Don't tell
payroll.
them what to say. You cannot pay them. You let them review your stuff, good and bad. And from there, you move. Because if they say, oh no, I don't like
Grow
how this
from
is
it.
made, and then you show yourself like, oh, I heard what you said. These are the improvements I made.
Come on,
Boom.
Justin.
Not only do you have them and you have their people.
Girl,
And their people bring more people because that's what the fuck you need right now.
was that an AI at first with the flag? Was
Yes,
Mel an AI in that picture?
yes,
Because
Oh,
it
you
looks
know
yes,
she
so
love a good
that
piece
is
of AI.
yes,
like who is this? Who is
yes,
this
there's AI.
woman? Who is this black
She
Trump
is
woman? Who is this black MAGA woman?
she is photoshopping the fuck out of she is photoshopping and AI and cap cutting
We
everything.
ain't doing the 4th of July no more. We doing Juneteenth. Who didn't give her the memo?
Yeah, because
Oh, she's a
it was happy
Republican.
15
That's
days
right.
after Juneteenth. That's what it was.
Not happy days
Girl.
after 15.
It was happy 15 days after Juneteenth. Like I don't know what the fuck y'all thought this was.
What? Maybe the way we gonna make
Pay
up this
attention.
shit.
Pay attention. Focus. Focus.
Oh,
Or if that's too many words for you, we could call it twice teenth because it's Juneteenth twice. Twice teenth.
Man, that
come on,
twice
twice
team.
T.
Go to
We can call it
bed.
twice
Not
Go
teenth.
to
twice
bed,
T.
man.
Yes,
Oh
because
my God.
we gonna Juneteenth again. That's twice
Now
tenth.
you
Okay,
in
great.
Juneteenth twice. Oh my
Yeah,
God.
we get two of them.
I was like, why is she with a flag? Like, oh, she really be trying to say she mad without saying it. She
Right.
probably be
And
at them brunches with Nicki Minaj.
She
that
trying to
shit
get
is
a duet with
illegal.
Nikki.
But you know that's illegal to wear the
Shit,
flag.
Nicki
Did
need to get
anybody
a
tell
duet
you?
with somebody. Shit. What you say, Shauna?
You know it's illegal to wear the flag. Anybody told her? That's against the law.
Girl, girl.
That is
Well,
literally
she
against the
lucky
law.
because the whole shit was AI. But yeah, you're
Because
right.
it's
That's
denigration of the flag.
desecration, you dumb
Mm,
bitch.
mm-hmm.
Hmm.
Goddamn degenerate.
Come on, degenerate.
Yeah,
With
'cause
your carrot
y'all really
raisin
come over here and
salad,
call us
succotash
dumb,
ass.
but we know how to
Sucker
proofread.
succotash.
Now we might make one or two mistakes because we typing fast, but you motherfuckers, we don't understand nothing y'all be saying. Y'all, baby, y'all have us over here read with our fingers so fucking bad it don't make no
No,
sense.
they be using text to type. You know what kills me
Y'all ain't
when
mail
people
butt behind back forward. Don't know. That's why y'all jealous. Like
That
what?
that's because they be
they
listening to us and trying to text and talk at the same time, and text and talk be picking some of the shit
What
we
the
say
fuck?
and some of the shit they say, and they don't never proofread the shit.
no. What kills me is when the lady said earlier, because it won't me. What you mean it won't you? What does that even mean? It won't me to say that. What? You
No,
said
she said
WONT. It
he
won't.
better
You
be
mean it
glad that
wasn't?
won't me about the money.
Yeah.
God,
Yeah, you better be
when is it
glad that
gonna be
won't me.
you?
You mean wasn't? Did you mean wasn't? You
'Cause-
you better be glad it
and
won't me.
Martell
It
don't know
won't you
you.
what? What won't you do? Okay, y'all talk. I need to mute for a second. I'll be back.
Child,
They do be raised Texas, Cheryl. They be mad as hell. They be
they be
mad. They be hot.
I told y'all they be over this motherfucker.
Don't you talk about my Melody Cherie.
Baby, they be about to break
Don't
their
you talk
motherfucking
about
neck.
her. She is
She
a
is.
victim. She's gonna be a victim forever and ever, ever, ever.
When
Forever.
Mel is a victim, she a victim forever. And why y'all
Girl.
can't see that? Why y'all don't understand that? She is just trying to live her life the best way she can. That is my Mel, and she just going through some
Okay.
things
Let's say
right
she
now.
living
And
life the
I'ma
best way
stick
she can.
beside her
She doing it wrong.
and not by
They
her
are
shoulder.
sticking beside her, behind her, on in front of her. They are just with her. They
And
want to
they
be
also got
her.
their
They want to
fingers stuck.
skin her and wear her. They want to be male so bad. They want to be. They keep. I mean, a bitch that pays to meet and greet with you 15 times. Like, bitch, you already met it. You already met her.
The one thing they
You
doing
already
do is
met her.
stick their finger on that like button a million times each. And then her dumb ass
But
gonna
you
think
plan.
that
You
because she
paying
got a
five
like a
hundred
lot,
dollars to get 5 seconds, like for less than 5 minutes with her.
baby.
What the hell we doing? Because
And
you can
then
get
you get
together with all the
hijacked when you
YouTube
get
content
there.
creators
Because it's
for way
always
less money.
somebody's
Y'all can throw a
birthday.
party.
It's always one of the kids, but she throw her events around the kids' birthdays. It's always somebody's birthday, and she needs you to give them a separate birthday gift. Don't you say your ticket was their gift? Because no, it was not. Pull out your
Exactly,
phone
child.
and cash out there, so we could me and my mama can put it in our separate account that don't know that we thought nobody knew about. And that was crazy. Not you and
This
your
is off
mama
subject.
splitting the profits.
I got something to say real quick. This off subject. Then we can talk about them profits again. I just want to give a formal congratulations to the person whose
I'm
gestational
sick of
period
you.
finally ended.
I'm so fucking sick of you. You ain't had to say 3 words, and I'm
It
sick of you.
finally ended. Amen. Welcome to the most elite club in the world of being a mommy. You
Shauna, come
know,
back. Yana is about to show her ass. Come back.
I believe it at that. I
And you
believe it
know
at that.
Deshaunda ain't too far behind in the chat. Come back.
Oh,
I'm trying to hold on to my grownness. Shauna, come
I
back.
understand.
Hey. Because we going to blame it all on you. Because your ass left us.
So that Austin trip got canceled, I heard.
Baby, the orgy. The orgy retreat. Baby, it
Girl,
wasn't enough pussy to eat. They
they was trying to. I was about to
Can't
be
leave you
real snakes
motherfuckers for
part
5 minutes.
52.
they
God
needed
damn.
2 pussies a piece, and it was a piece, and it wasn't enough.
Can't leave you bitches alone for 5 fucking minutes. All I
I just
need to
want
do
to
is
know
go
did they
put my
get their
damn clothes in
refund?
the dryer.
I just
I
want to
went to
know
put
if
my
they got their refund.
I went to go put my fucking clothes in the dryer. Y'all
And
niggas
Kiana
can't be
started
left
showing
alone
her
for
ass
five
soon
goddamn
as she
minutes.
left.
God damn.
Uh,
I'm I'm
I
walking
just
around like I know they
I
not. I'm
congratulated
like
Wolf Doggy.
I
That's
know
all
they
I
fucking
did.
not. I could hear you.
Yep,
I said
Kiana
these
started showing her
motherfuckers.
ass the moment your ass
I just
went
had to
away.
get it out real quick. I want to give her an official congratulations. You know, it's
She counted to 5 and said she ain't say nothing. Yep, she gone.
I
Let
didn't
me
say
hurry
anything.
I
I
up the
wanted to
room.
see.
I literally went and put my damn clothes
I
in the
kept it
dryer.
nice.
That's
I
I
kept
went and
it
put my
real
clothes in
cute.
the dryer. I said, see, y'all just can't leave me
Only
for
because I made her
2 fucking
laugh
seconds.
through it. That's only why she kept it nice.
Yes, and I really would like to
Did
know
they
what
get a
happened with
refund
that
for them
because
Austin
because
trips?
That's what I
they
just
said no
said.
refund. That's what
Oh,
she had on the
what?
thing.
Bitch, it's
Hmm.
supposed to be no refunds if I cancel. You cannot cancel the orgy and not give me my money back.
What?
It is not my fault. You set a 2 pussy minimum and you didn't have 2 pussies for
Wait
everybody.
a
It's
minute.
not my
Wait a
fault.
minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a
Baby,
minute.
they
Wait
got
a
it's
minute.
two
Wait a
pussy
minute.
minimum.
Wait a minute. Wait. I got a question. My hand is up. My hand is up.
Oh Lord, I'm scared. I'm fucking
I'm
scared.
scared. Shit. I'm like my
I'm
kids. I'm
scared.
scared.
I'm scary of
Wait
this.
a minute. So YouTube and Instagram motherfuckers is really out here scamming. Like you got motherfuckers scamming for real. So I'm gonna say that I want to retreat in Texas. Man, that Texas shit is a you got motherfuckers saying I want to retreat in
They
Texas.
talk about Georgia being the
Please
home
pay
of
me.
scammers. It's starting to look like Texas.
Please pay me. Please pay me. And the bitches pay to come spend the night with you, and then you stay safe. But that
But it's not
sounds like some
refundable.
other shit that's going on with some award show or something. Girl, that is crazy. What is going on the streets?
Cause these
Mm-mm.
bitches crazy.
Why y'all get crazy?
Child, I was looking at something.
Cause them bitches crazy. It takes crazy to understand
Y'all know
crazy.
I be having it. I'm sorry. Y'all know I be here, and then I be there.
What
I
is
be
up
here
with these
though.
people scamming?
Not their roach
These
fingers are
people
too
be
long to
scamming.
to text the correct way.
The scheming and scamming of it
Wow.
all. You know,
Cheryl closet. No.
I
It was
have a
just something about
CLN
another scam
conspiracy
not too
theory.
long ago. Some shit.
I'm gonna wait
Baby, then
Wow.
they made an
until
update about that shit today on
I
their
get a little
threads,
taste
John.
more evidence. But I have a conspiracy theory.
What is it?
Here she go. Here she go. This Roswell shit. Area 51.
My goddamn spidey senses be tingling. I just feel
The
like
one
this
Miles
shit was a
Morales
scam.
bullshit.
I feel like it was a scam from the word go. And I feel like we've been a part of a fucking social experiment.
Yep.
And now that it's no
Yep.
longer working, we're starting to see, you know how you're never supposed to see what's in the machine? You're never supposed to like
Mm-hmm.
look behind the curtain. This is Oz. We were
Mm-hmm.
never supposed to know what was going on behind the curtain.
Right.
And because now the grift has gotten exposed, we're privy to shit we was
Girl.
never
All
supposed
of
to
them.
know.
And
And
she
it's a
All
don't
of
lot
them.
mind
of them.
sharing.
It's a lot of them. And I
Cause
think there were a
it
lot of
was something
people.
about some award show not too long ago where it was a whole thing. I gotta watch YouTube. I gotta find it on
I
YouTube.
think that's the Apple Cider Vinegar
Everybody's so
Award.
scamming. The side of vinegar. The what?
The Goalie Award. That's what Shauna called it, the Apple Cider Vinegar Award.
Oh, I thought you said the side of vinegar. I'm like, what?
You know what? Did y'all know that if you pour vinegar into your navel, that your stomach will go to
Girl, girl,
Shauna?
girl, girl,
Baby,
girl.
they say if you pour fucking apple cider
Prosperity.
vinegar in your navel, it will shrink your stomach.
Your neighbor will drink it,
Back child, I guess.
but it won't drink nothing else. Just apple cider vinegar, not
Just
water,
apple
not
cider.
soda, not
Yep.
vodka. So when you do shots in the belly button, the stomach just drinks it too
Eh,
slow. Like
eh,
what? What's good?
I don't please don't do shots out of everybody. That's nasty. Mm-mm. 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 That lip ball. Mm-mm.
Mm. Shauna said, drop the link. I didn't realize he
Mm-mm.
dropped. Shauna, come back.
Not in the
Shauna, come back.
not shots in the navel.
You can
Jesus.
blame it on my
Oh God. But yeah,
apple
and
cider
then
vinegar
the
in the
lady,
belly
the
button.
lady lived in Texas, Tennessee. One of them motherfuckers, bitch. She all she had to do was drive to the pussy retreat, and y'all had to catch planes to it.
You know what?
Oh hell no!
Not the pussy retreat.
That was an orgy. On the
Huh?
fuck where nobody said there was a two pussy
Child, I don't even
No.
retreat.
know what the hell happened. But
Yeah,
yeah, I agree with Kia.
The way I thought you was still up there.
Somehow I just got kicked out. But yes, the parking meters believe anything,
yeah.
anything,
Yeah.
because
It's
it
very
was.
selective.
We always thought that that was the truth, but it was even more so. It blew my wig back when it started
Not
to
the
be a
parking
rumor.
meter. Mm.
When it started to be a rumor about that damn that lady husband, and then people went from she would never do anything like that. That
Mm-hmm.
man is married
Mhm.
to, well, if she did, it's only
She was
because of
cheated
Martell.
on.
And if she did, I mean, so what? It happens. Okay, well, so what? It happens. Then you shouldn't be mad at it happening to her. You can't have it both ways. It can't be like, oh, cheating is
Because
cool
if
as long
that's
as
the
she's
case,
the one
maybe
doing it.
somebody cheated on Martell. If that's the case, though, by their logic, maybe somebody cheated on Martell. So this is why Martell doing all this shit to Mel. So Mel should just accept it.
But how is it
If that's the
cool?
case.
How is it cool to do? Cheating is cool as long as Martell ain't the one doing it. Like, make that make sense.
I told you earlier, it's okay when she do
Come
it. It's
on,
fucked
P
up
Poppin'.
when he
Pop
do it.
that. Hey, pop that. Because
He can
Mel
turn
is
the
down with
kids
OPP.
around. He can let them drive cars. They can sit
When my
on his
nigga
lap.
say,
They can
put your
drop
pussy
them
lips
off
on
in
live,
his
I get
visit.
$1,000.
You know what? Shadow, you know what?
What the hell Shauna just said?
I'm
I
sorry. I
don't
had a
think you
little
want to repeat it.
I had a little boosty Tourette's. I'm okay. I'm back now. I'm sorry.
Uh,
It was just a little bit of boosty. That little boosty spirit had
Type
jumped
it
on
in the
me.
back
Get
chat.
the
I
goddamn.
missed that one. She said that motherfucker low, just low enough that only Kiana can hear.
Baby.
She
I
did the
had to
Kiana whistle.
Oh,
that boosty spirit jumped on me a little bit. I'm okay. It's gone now. I'm done.
oh, yeah, she caught a little boosty. You
I
don't want her
had
to
a
repeat.
little, I had a little boosty moment. I'm sorry. Oh, child.
I need it typed in the back chat.
They
Child,
keep moving the
you remember what
goalposts.
he said?
They
You remember what he
keep.
said on his
Oh,
live?
put your
She
something
said,
on the screen and hit $50,000.
yeah, she said pee popping, and Boosie said, put your pussy lips on live and get $1,000.
Oh Jesus, baby, and them bitches putting it on it. And they
Oh
just putting it
God.
on it.
Stop saying it like that.
That's how he said it, child. That was one of my favorite little vocal stems for a minute. I
Oh,
would just randomly yell that shit out. So inappropriate. Baby,
Well,
they
you know
moved
you
the
very
don't shy
goalposts.
away from inappropriate.
Then when she was over there chicken necking in the limo,
Not
all of a
chicken
sudden
nugget.
that's
come
okay.
on, chicken nugget.
Forgetting that's a damn problem because you are with people that in
Mhm.
this moment you were essentially in a supervisory position. If my supervisor is
Yep.
chicken necking in a limo and encouraging me to either be a part of it
Hmm.
or watch, you know how awkward that is?
That's harassment in a sexual way.
It is that is sexual harassment. You are hairy ass to
It
me.
is.
And now I got to watch you with this little chicken head hairstyle looking like a goddamn stewardess for American Airlines, chicken necking in the back of the
You
limo.
know what?
Bitch looking like Howard the Duck.
Baby, no, she looked like
Your
American
emergency mask
Airlines
will fall
stewardess.
from the ceiling.
I was just waiting for her to be like, thank you, have a
Fly
fun
She look
again.
trip,
like Pan
thank
Am.
American
you, come back,
Airlines.
see us again, thank you, fly with us again. Like, girl, get the
That's
fuck,
her name, Pan Am. That's what she look like, Pan Am.
Pam ain't. Pam ain't.
baby. Her name is Suck
Cigars,
Off.
cigarettes, griddles.
Pam
Just
can't.
the fact that you were chicken necking in a limo, and see, you
Waiting
ought
for
to have been
others to
embarrassed.
join in.
Mm-mm.
But you ought to have been embarrassed. You start chicken necking and invited the group to join in, and everybody said,
Cause
"Child,
you
I
know
ain't
she
doing
had to
nothing
lean to
for
the
it."
side because it's got a
Mm.
curve. So she had to tilt her head and shit because it's got a curve. It's like, what the fuck?
Baby, did she mess up her makeup? Did you wipe the makeup off half your face?
Girl,
Baby, did he
girl,
shoot any babies in your eye?
And hell,
girl.
was his ass cheeks on
She
the seat? Because
swallowed
was
it.
his cheeks on the seat, or did he just drop? Did he
Ugh,
drop
Was it
trial, or
through the
did he just pull it out?
ugh,
Did he drop, or did he just give you a
ugh.
little peek? Did he peekaboo it? What did he
You
do?
can put it out
And
and
I'm
put it in
sorry,
her
Maurice and
mouth.
Marcel, what the fuck was y'all doing? You ain't nobody said we
Shit,
gonna be going to
Marcel was
jail.
like, that ain't how
Like,
she do it
what
to
the
me.
fuck?
Let me shut up. In my opinion,
Oh,
allegedly.
oh, oh. You know what? Now it's time to say
Allegedly.
goodnight.
Allegedly.
We have officially gotten to the night. We have officially gotten to the portion of the night where the
Oh, my
delirium has
bad,
set
my
in.
bad, my bad.
Not to be confused with
My
Delirium
bad.
by MC Kenzie, aka the Pleasure Pen. Please go to
Come on.
thepleasurepen.world to receive any and all of her books.
My
This
bad.
concludes
In the long black limousine.
this concludes the live
Hey,
for this
that
evening.
girl,
Let's
wait
get
a
it in.
minute. No, 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 no. We gotta respond to Kia real quick. No, because Kia is exactly right. She said she ain't chicken necking nobody that can't even get her wet or moist. Or can't even get her
Exactly.
moist.
See,
Pretty much
Kia,
Girl,
goes with the
that's
hook
how
and
you
exactly.
purse.
You knew she was lying. We all knew she was lying because ain't no way in hell that you out here sucking off somebody. Oh, no, no, no. No, no, no. See, I was about to leave. Now, wait a damn minute.
Well, if you can't get me
Remember,
wet,
he
I'm not sucking your
said,
dick. No.
no, but remember, he said you wasn't sucking it enough. And she said, well, I started sucking it
I
more.
started
Well, then
sucking it on out.
why are you
Girl, she
sucking it?
started sucking it
You know
more
my
knowing
thing.
that he
Y'all
was
know my
raw
favorite thing.
dicking
Why I'm not sucking
coleslaw.
no
Right.
dick after
You
you put
knew,
it in somebody
you
else.
knew he was
Nasty.
deep dicking that goddamn girl, and you still put it in your mouth.
You nasty.
And let
And
her
she
tell
knew
it.
because the girl was
Wait,
telling her.
and let her tell it.
Right.
He was over there eating ass and some more shit.
And we not supposed to believe that that was his girlfriend. And yours too.
Cause that's my thing. You knew that man was laying pipe over there with her, and you knew it. And then out your own damn mouth, you gonna say, "Well, I started sucking him more." Was you also tasting her off his lips?
Y'all knew I wasn't letting that
Now I
one
That's
go.
got
I'd be
now I
like
nasty.
got
this.
new questions.
I ain't never started sucking
That's just
more dick
nasty. It
after I
probably
learned some
turned her
juices.
on. Shit.
And then you're sharing
Mm.
corn dogs and then they had ass in his mouth not even 12 hours before.
Baby, yeah, what she said he just ate my ass. I said, well, there it is. There it is
Baby,
there.
I bet she ain't never looked at another corn on the cob the same. Baby, she said slob on the knob like a cone on the cob, bitch. Hey,
Baby,
hey,
slop on the knob
hey,
Mm-hmm.
that's
like
what he
corn on
did
the
to
cob.
me.
Check in with me and do
Hey,
your job.
hey, hey.
She was like, and I liked it.
Baby, you already know. I give me a little piece of song in my head and it's over.
The food, you nasty ass.
Yeah, that's why her stories never made sense. Oh my God, he couldn't even make me come. Okay, well then you're the fucking idiot because you had 4 kids by his ass. He ain't no fool. He can only bring you the dick that he got in stock. So if you didn't like it, you the fool for
Come
marrying him
on
and
and
staying with
stop.
his ass.
Especially
That's
for a
what he
Come
eating
got.
ass,
and
cheating ass
stop,
nigga.
bitch.
That's what he has in stock. What do you want him to do? He can't bring you nothing other than what he got. This is what it is. This
Exactly.
here.
And he
This
cheating.
here is what it is.
Come on,
And
kid,
you
with the
supposed to be the
army crawl.
breadwinner. Baby, I ain't
Baby, he
keeping no
sure he
check man
surely
with
he
bad dick. I
surely
tell you
army
that.
crawled to get round there to get that other phone. That man said, I got to get to that phone because I got to get to my woman.
Y'all need to let her know I'm gonna be late.
Maybe he was over there trying to recover from that goddamn surgery.
And I wonder if the dick that she forgot about it was that from the night when we saw her walking out the door when Sugar Mom
And
was
he
trying
needs
to.
to call his woman and let his real woman know that he was okay. Not his pretend ass wife that was on TV pretending.
I just want to know was that the night when we saw her with one bag in the hand and the other bag in the other hand, and Sugar Mom was trying to breastfeed off Martell Pecs. Yeah, is that the dick? It
No,
was
when
that
she
the
kept
night
needing
she
her
forgot she
weekend
sucked dick?
breaks. Girl. Shit, it was probably the night that they didn't even live together. Because, they wasn't really in a relationship when they got on the show.
Well, you told me
I
I
don't know why
couldn't
we
do it,
can't
so I
keep saying
started
that
sucking
and
his
put
dick
things
more
into
too.
perspective. And she probably did.
No, no, she looked like him
Probably
because I
did.
was sucking his dick, not because he did.
Girl, bye. Girl. Shauna, you talk about me. Now it's
Huh?
time to say goodnight. You talking about me. Joanne talking about motherfuckers look like motherfuckers only because she sucked their dick, not because of nothing else. Oh,
Oh,
wow.
I'm sorry, my
Are you
bad.
not
I
I
all the
forgot.
way
enough?
caught that.
I forgot where I was
Are
at.
you?
My
You
bad.
did. See, this is why shit has to
Joanne.
stop at a certain point. This is why people need to
Fuck
be on a timer.
prosperity. Joanne.
We need to be on a cook
Yeah,
timer. When
my
you hit a
bad.
certain amount of time, the live got to get cut off. The shit always goes where it don't need to go.
My bad. I
Joanne.
thought we was in the group chat. My bad. My
Uh,
bad. My bad.
Kiana, look at your phone.
I
This is
forgot. I had forgot.
this is not the kitchen table.
No,
Yeah, spilling
This is
truths and
not
shit. My
the kitchen
bad.
table.
baby. First of all, she got that wig from Shamar in the from his
Oh,
Diary of a Mad Black
Baby,
Woman
that motherfucker was
and
up under his
Did It
bed
Blonde.
in some dust, and yeah, and the cat was playing with it. That was the baby. That shit was worse than his wig. Like them cornrows was loose as shit.
Baby, that
A
thing look
loose
like
booty.
you remember the slee stacks from the land of the lost? That's what the wig look like.
You're like one of them elves from the movies. The motherfucker. The precious. The precious.
That should look like it looked like the slee stack. Like how they had the little line on their head.
Alienation, bitch. Don't do that no more.
Yes, it's time to go. That'll do it. I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. Thank you for letting me come up. God bless you.
Hey,
Good night.
football
She
head.
was getting ignorant. Yep. That. Bye.
Yeah, go tell me that lady head ain't shaped like a football helmet and a ball. Hey, football head. Well, yeah, I'm gonna chop. I'm gonna. I'm not gonna be like, I'm gonna leave this up, but I'm also gonna just give you the part where we was talking about the actual case. 'Cause, and when the Melaleuia Brigade came in the goddamn chat and tried to play with us, and then got pat, 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 one by one, baby, we started knocking them bitches off. Pat, 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 get the fuck up, bitch. Get the fuck up out of here. Pat, pat, pat. I'm playing paintball with you bitches. Stop coming over here knowing y'all can't play with us like that. Y'all can't hang. Y'all not used to this shit. Stop it. This what we does. We does this, okay? Okay. But y'all, thank y'all for joining us. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you will know when I go live next. Baby, thank you, Miss Shauna. What Shauna says, formerly talking shit with Shauna, formerly making your headache. Y'all remember all of the names. Don't act like you don't. You know what I'm talking about. My good sis with the girl sick voice. Yes, God. Don't forget Miss starts with the Q, ends in a motherfucking period. Bitch. Yes. Kiana. Kiana. Thank you, Charlie. Thank you, Kia, for all of your super chats. It is greatly, greatly, greatly appreciated. Also, don't forget that we do have the Cash App and the PayPal going across the bottom of the screen. All donations are greatly appreciated, needed, wanted, and asked for. And Google don't take none of that cheap ass. Also, everything said in this video was alleged and in our very own opinion. Yes, God, it is under the Fair Use Act, and bitch, we use it for educational, supervisory, and entertainment purposes only. You laughed a whole lot. Don't act like you didn't. I love y'all. I'm gonna see y'all in the next ones, bitch. I cannot wait to see my comment section tomorrow morning, later on today. They gonna be mad, and then they gonna try to go and debunk what we talked about without reading y'all the whole fucking court documents like they always do. Tell them you heard it first here at the house of the what? Proper thighs, proper thighs. Yeah, tell your friend come on over here and listen to. I love y'all. I'ma see y'all in the next one because now it's time to say goodnight. Cause a bitch ain't got no edges. I'ma see y'all in the next one. Bye.